A promise made in 1979 was about to be fulfilled 45 years later. Axl Rose had just stepped off a private jet in Lafayette, Indiana, with a black briefcase in his hand and a pending debt that had pursued him all his life. What no one knew was that this trip would forever change the way the world saw the rock legend. Mr. William Larkin was 82 years old and lived in a modest two-story house in the same neighborhood where he had taught music for 40 years. His arthritic hands could barely hold a pencil, much less play the piano he had mastered in his youth. That October afternoon, he was sitting in his favorite armchair, looking out the window as leaves slowly fell from the trees. He wasn't expecting visitors. He wasn't expecting anything really, except perhaps another quiet day of memories. The doorbell rang. Once, twice. Mr. Larkin got up with difficulty, shuffling his feet toward the front door. When he opened it, he froze. In front of him was a man in his 50s, with long hair pulled back in a ponytail, aviator sunglasses, and a nervous smile that seemed out of place on someone so famous. "Hello, Mr. Larkin," said the visitor, removing his glasses. "I don't know if you remember me. I'm Bill Bailey, though now people know me as Axl Rose." The old man blinked several times, as if trying to process a hallucination. "Bill? Billy Bailey?" His voice trembled, not from age but from pure emotion. "The same," Axl responded, extending his hand. "It's been many years." Mr. Larkin took Axl's hand with both hands, holding it as if it were something sacred. "My God, Billy. My God. Come in, please come in." They entered the house that smelled of old wood and freshly brewed coffee. The living room was full of photographs, memories of decades of teaching, diplomas and recognitions hung on one wall. On another, there were photos of students from different generations, and there, in a small gold frame, was the photo of a red-haired 11-year-old boy with a shy smile, holding a school choir trophy, Billy Bailey, before he became Axl Rose. "I never took down your photo," said Mr. Larkin, pointing to the frame. Axl approached the photo, gently touching it with his fingers. "That's because you were the only one who believed in me when no one else did." The story began in 1979. Billy Bailey was a troubled child in a chaotic family. His stepfather was violent. His home was a battlefield. School was his only refuge, and music was his only outlet. Mr. Larkin, then a 40-year-old music teacher with infinite patience, saw something in that red-haired boy with intense eyes that no one else could see. Talent, passion, but also pain. "Do you remember when I found you crying in the music room?" asked Mr. Larkin as he slowly sat down on the sofa. "It was after your stepfather beat you for singing at home." Axl nodded, his jaw tight. "He told me that music was for sissies, that I was never going to amount to anything. And I told you he was wrong," continued the teacher. "I told you that you had something special, a voice that could break hearts or lift them. I told you that if you ever made it far, you had to use it to tell the truth. And I promised you something that day," said Axl, his voice breaking slightly. "I promised that if I ever made it, I would come back and thank you properly." Mr. Larkin smiled. "I never expected you to keep that promise, Billy. You've already fulfilled it many times over. You sold millions of records. You played in the biggest stadiums in the world. You made history." Axl shook his head. "None of that means anything without this." He lifted the black briefcase he had brought and placed it on the coffee table between them. "This is what I should have done decades ago." He opened the briefcase. Inside were two things. The first was a thick envelope. The second was a special edition Gibson Hummingbird acoustic guitar with mother-of-pearl inlays that shone like stars. "Mr. Larkin," Axl began, taking out the envelope. "For years I thought about how to thank you for what you did for me. Money seemed empty. A public recognition seemed insufficient. So I did something different." He opened the envelope and took out several documents. "This is the deed to a foundation I established in your name, the William Larkin Foundation for Music Education. It's already funded with $5 million. Its purpose is to give free music classes to at-risk children like me." Mr. Larkin brought a trembling hand to his mouth. "Billy, I don't know what to say." "Don't say anything yet," Axl interrupted with a smile. "Because there's more." He took the guitar out of the briefcase and carefully handed it to the old man. "This is the guitar I wrote 'Sweet Child O' Mine' with. The one I used in the video, the one I played at our first massive concert. I want you to have it." The teacher looked at the guitar as if it were a divine artifact. "I can't accept this. It must be worth a fortune." "It's worth exactly what you gave me when I needed it most," Axel responded. "Hope. You gave me hope when I had none. This guitar is just a piece of wood and strings, but it represents everything I achieved because you believed in me." Tears now flowed freely down the old man's face. "I always knew you were special, Billy, but I never imagined this." "There's one last thing," said Axel, wiping his own eyes. "Tomorrow there's a ceremony at Jefferson High School. They're going to name the auditorium in your honor, the William Larkin Auditorium. It's all arranged with the school district. Your former students will be there, other teachers, your friends. I want you to be there." Mr. Larkin was overwhelmed. "I don't know if I can process all this." "Take your time," Axel said softly, "but know this. Everything I am, everything I achieved, began in your classroom. You didn't just teach me music. You taught me that I was worth something, that I had a voice, and that voice deserved to be heard." They sat in silence for a moment, each processing the weight of this reunion. Finally, Mr. Larkin spoke in a trembling voice. "You know what's most incredible about all this, Billy? What? That you never forgot where you came from. You reached the top of the world, but you're still that kid who just wanted to be heard." Axel smiled, a genuine smile he rarely showed in public. "It's because you taught me that music isn't about fame or money. It's about connection, about truth, about touching the soul of someone who needs to be touched." The teacher nodded slowly. "And that's exactly what you did with millions of people. You touched them. You made them feel something real." "I learned it from the best," Axel responded. That night, Axel stayed in Lafayette. They had dinner together at the teacher's house, simple food but full of warmth. They talked for hours, remembering old stories. Mr. Larkin told him about other students he'd had, some who had pursued musical careers, others who had simply found solace in music. Axel told him about the hardest moments of his career, the times he almost gave up, the internal struggles no one saw behind the makeup and stage lights. "There were moments," Axel confessed at one point in the night, "when success felt like a prison. Everyone wanted a piece of me. The expectations were crushing, and I started to lose sight of why I had started making music in the first place." "And what made you remember?" asked the teacher. "You," Axel answered without hesitation. "Every time I felt lost, I remembered that conversation we had when I was 13. After the state choir competition, we came in second and I was devastated. Do you remember what you told me?" Mr. Larkin thought for a moment. "I told you that where you finish doesn't matter as much as the person you become in the process." "Exactly," said Axel. "Those words saved me more times than you can imagine. When the ego got too big, when the pressure was too much, I came back to that phrase. It kept me humble. It kept me focused on what really mattered." The teacher smiled with a mixture of pride and nostalgia. "You never know when a word is going to change a life. That's the magic and terror of being a teacher." The conversation drifted toward deeper topics. They talked about family, about pain, about redemption. Axel told the teacher about his tortured relationship with his stepfather, about how music had been his lifeline in an ocean of domestic violence. He spoke about therapies, struggles with anger, years of internal work to become a better version of himself. "I spent decades angry at the world," Axel admitted. "Angry at my stepfather, angry at my mother for not protecting me, angry at myself for not being able to overcome it. But I eventually understood something. Anger is like drinking poison and expecting the other person to die. I had to let it go." "And did you succeed?" asked Mr. Larkin. "I'm working on it," Axel answered honestly. "Some days are better than others, but I learned that forgiveness isn't for them. It's for me, to free myself from those chains." The teacher nodded wisely. "That's growth, Billy. That's maturity. And that's something no amount of fame or money can buy." The next morning, the ceremony at Jefferson High School was emotional beyond words. The auditorium was filled with Mr. Larkin's former students, some now in their 60s, others barely entering their 30s. All had stories to tell about how that teacher had changed their lives. When it was Axel's turn to speak, he took the stage without pretensions. without the persona of the legendary rocker. He was just Billy Bailey, thanking the man who had given him a chance. "Mr. Larkin," he began, his amplified voice filling the auditorium. "There are people who pass through our lives and teach us lessons we forget in a week. And then there are people like you, who teach us lessons we carry for the rest of our lives." He paused, allowing his words to resonate. "You taught me that having talent isn't enough. You taught me that you have to have heart, that you have to have courage, that you have to be willing to bleed a little to create something true." The audience listened in absolute silence, captivated. "I come from a dark place," Axel continued. "A place where children learn that love comes with fists, where hope is a luxury you can't afford, where dreaming is dangerous because dreams break easily. But this man, sitting here in the front row, told me my dreams were worthwhile. He told me my voice mattered, and when no one else did, he listened to me." Axel came down from the stage and walked to where Mr. Larkin was sitting. He knelt in front of the old man, looking him directly in the eyes. "I promised you 45 years ago that I would come back. I promised that if I ever made it, I would come and say thank you. Well, here I am. Thank you, Mr. Larkin. Thank you for seeing me when I was invisible. Thank you for believing when it was impossible. Thank you for saving me." The auditorium erupted in applause. Mr. Larkin hugged Axel, both men crying without shame, without pretensions. It was a moment of pure humanity, stripped of all the noise and distractions of the outside world. After the ceremony, Axel spent the rest of the day in Lafayette. He visited the old school where he had studied, walked through the hallways he hadn't stepped on in decades. He visited the music room where he had discovered his love of singing. Everything seemed smaller than he remembered, but the emotion was just as big. In one of the classrooms, he found a group of current students practicing for a concert. They were children of different ages, some with obvious talent, others clearly struggling. He stood in the doorway, watching silently. One of the kids, a boy about 12 years old with braces, recognized him. "Hey, you're Axl Rose," the boy shouted, making everyone else turn around. Axel smiled. "Guilty, can I come in?" The group's music teacher, a young woman who was clearly excited but trying to maintain composure, nodded vigorously. "Of course, Mr. Rose, it's an honor." Axel entered and sat in one of the classroom's plastic chairs. "What are you practicing?" "A medley of classic rock songs for the end-of-year concert," explained the teacher. "We're doing a version of Sweet Child O' Mine." Axel laughed. "That's an ambitious choice. Can I hear it?" The students, nervous but excited, played their version of the song. It wasn't perfect, not remotely close. There were off-key notes, erratic rhythms, moments of total chaos. But there was something beautiful in its imperfection. There was passion, there was effort, there was heart. When they finished, Axel applauded enthusiastically. "That was incredible, guys." "Really?" asked one of the students, clearly doubtful. "I thought we ruined it." "Not at all," Axel responded. "You know what's most important in music? It's not playing all the notes perfectly. It's feeling what you're playing. And you definitely feel that song. That's what matters." He spent the next hour working with the students, giving them advice, sharing stories, making them laugh. He told them about his own mistakes, about the times he ruined important performances, about how failure is just another form of learning. "The first time I sang in public," he told them, "I was so nervous I vomited before going on stage. And when I finally sang, I forgot half the lyrics. It was an absolute disaster. But I kept trying, and eventually I got better." The children listened with wide eyes, fascinated that even someone as famous as Axl Rose had gone through the same insecurities they had. Before leaving, Axel left something with the music teacher. It was a check for $50,000 for the school's music program. "For instruments, equipment, whatever you need," he said simply. "These kids deserve the best tools possible." That night back in Los Angeles, Axel reflected on the trip. He had fulfilled his promise. He had closed a circle that had been open for almost half a century. But more than that, he had remembered something fundamental about himself. That it had never been about fame or recognition. It had been about connection, about impact, about using his voice to say something that mattered. 2 weeks later, Mr. Larkin called Axel. "Billy," he said with an excited voice, "you have to see this. He sent him a link to a video. It was one of the school students, the kid with the braces, uploading his own original song to YouTube. In the description, the boy had written, "Thank you, Axl Rose, for reminding me that we all have a voice. This is mine." Axl watched the video 3 times, feeling a pride that was different from any award or recognition he had received in his career. This was the real legacy, not record sales or attendance records. It was this, inspiring the next generation to find their own voice. Mr. Larkin continued to be a presence in Axl's life. They talked regularly on the phone, sharing stories, updating each other on the foundation that bore his name. The William Larkin Foundation had begun to expand, opening programs in 6 different cities. Thousands of children were receiving free music classes, many of them from backgrounds similar to Axl's. A year after that reunion, Axl organized a special concert in Lafayette. It was an intimate event, only about 500 people, all proceeds going to the foundation. Mr. Larkin was seated in the front row, next to former students and community members. During the concert, Axl did something he rarely did. He spoke extensively between songs, telling stories, connecting with the audience on a deeply personal level. He talked about his childhood in Lafayette, about the demons he had faced, about the tortuous road to redemption. "Music saved my life," he said into the microphone. "But it was a teacher who showed me how to use that salvation. Mr. Larkin, this is for you." And he began to play an intimate acoustic version of Patience, a song he had written thinking about all the times his teacher had been patient with him when he was a troubled child. When he finished, the auditorium was in total silence. Then, slowly, the applause began to grow, becoming a standing ovation that lasted several minutes. Mr. Larkin was crying openly, not trying to hide his tears. The following months brought more changes. The foundation continued to grow, impacting more and more lives. Axl got personally involved, visiting the programs, meeting the students, sharing his story. He discovered that these interactions filled him in a way that world tours never had. One of the program's students, a 14-year-old girl named Maria, wrote a letter that the foundation shared with Axl. In it, she described how music had given her purpose when she was on the verge of giving up, how the free classes had shown her that she had talent, that she had value, how she had begun to dream of a life beyond her violent neighborhood. "Thank you for creating this program," Maria wrote. "Thank you for believing that kids like me deserve a chance. One day I'm going to be as famous as you, and when that happens, I'm going to do the same for other kids. It's a promise." When Axl read that letter, he felt that the circle had been completed again. Maria was him 45 years ago, and now he was Mr. Larkin. The cycle continued, generation after generation, impact after impact. In an interview several months later, Axl was asked about his legacy, what he wanted people to remember about him when he was gone. His answer was simple but profound. "I don't want to be remembered for the songs I wrote or the records I sold," he said. "I want to be remembered for the lives I touched, for the children who were able to find their voice thanks to a program we created, for keeping alive the memory of a teacher who changed my life. That's a legacy. Everything else is just noise." Mr. Larkin passed away 2 years after that reunion. He was 84 years old and passed peacefully in his sleep. At his funeral, Axl gave the eulogy. He didn't speak as Axl Rose, the rock star. He spoke as Billy Bailey, the grateful student. "This man saw something in me that I couldn't see in myself," he said before hundreds of people who had been touched by the teacher. "He gave me hope when I had none. He gave me a voice when I was silent. He gave me a future when I only saw darkness." His voice broke. "And now it's my turn to do the same for others, because that's what he would have wanted. Not monuments or recognitions. He wanted us to carry forward with his mission, to give children the opportunity to discover the magic of music." After the funeral, Axl announced that he would double the foundation's funding, $10 million more to expand the programs, new centers in cities across the country, full scholarships for talented students who wanted to study music in college. "Mr. Larkin gave me everything," he explained in the announcement. "Now it's my turn to give that gift back, not just to one person, but to thousands." The years passed. The William Larkin Foundation became one of the most important music education organizations in the country. Thousands of students graduated from its programs, many of them pursuing musical careers, others simply carrying a love of music in their hearts. Axel never stopped being involved. Despite his busy schedule, he always found time to visit the programs, talk with students, share his story. He became a father figure to many of the children who went through the program, especially those who, like him, came from broken homes. One night, after a visit to one of the centers in Detroit, Axel received a message from one of the students he had met years ago. It was Maria, the girl who had written that moving letter. She was now 21 years old and had just signed her first record deal. "I kept my promise," she wrote. "I'm on my way, and when I get there, I'm going to do exactly what you did. I'm going to help other kids find their voice." The cycle continues. Axel smiled as he read the message. The circle hadn't closed. It had expanded, it had multiplied, and it would continue to do so generation after generation, impacting lives in ways he could never fully measure. That night, alone in his house, Axel took out the old photo that Mr. Larkin had in his living room. The photo of Billy Bailey, the red-haired 11-year-old boy with a shy smile. After the teacher's funeral, his family had given it to him, knowing how much it would mean to him. He looked at that boy in the photograph, seeing the pain in his eyes, but also the spark of hope. "I did it, Mr. Larkin," he whispered. "I kept my promise, and I'm going to keep keeping it until the last day of my life." He hung the photo in his recording studio, right in front of the microphone where he recorded all his songs. A constant reminder of where he came from, of who had helped him get there, of the responsibility he had to carry forward with that legacy. Because in the end, that's what really matters. Not fame, not money, not awards or recognition. It's the impact you leave on the world, the lives you touch, the doors you open for others. Mr. Larkin had taught him that 45 years ago. And now, Axl Rose was teaching the same thing to thousands of children around the country. The cycle continued. The promise was fulfilled again and again. And music, that magical force that unites souls and transforms lives, kept playing. In one of the last emails Maria sent to Axl, there was a simple but profound question. How do you know when you've really succeeded? Axl thought about the question for days before responding. Finally, he wrote, "You succeed when your life becomes a bridge for others to cross, when your story inspires someone else to tell theirs, when your struggles become the lessons that help another avoid the same mistakes. That's true success. Everything else is just statistics." Maria never forgot that answer. And when years later she herself became a mentor for young artists, she repeated those same words, passing the wisdom to the next generation. Mr. Larkin's legacy lived on, not just in Axl Rose, but in every life he touched, in every child who found their voice thanks to that chain of kindness that began decades ago in a classroom in Lafayette, Indiana. And so, the story of a teacher and his student became the story of thousands. One fulfilled promise transformed into thousands of new promises. One saved voice multiplied into a chorus of hope that resonated throughout the country. Because in the end, the true promise was never just about coming back and saying thank you. It was about continuing the work, about keeping the flame alive, about making sure no child with talent and dreams got lost in the darkness because no one believed in them. That promise, made by an 11-year-old boy to his music teacher, had become something much bigger. It had become a movement, a legacy, a reason to keep going even when the world felt heavy. And every time Axl Rose took the stage, every time he sang those songs that had touched millions, he carried with him the image of that teacher sitting in the front row, with tears in his eyes and pride in his heart. Because everything, absolutely everything, had begun with a man who decided to believe in a boy no one else saw. That's the magic of a true teacher. They don't just teach lessons, they change destinies. They save lives. They create legacies that transcend generations. Mr. William Larkin did all that and more. And Axl Rose made sure the world never forgot him. If this story touched your heart, leave me a comment telling me about that teacher or that person who changed your life. We all have a Mr. Larkin somewhere in our story. Let's honor them by remembering them. Una hooded figure pushes open the door of a forgotten bar in Los Angeles. The owner has no idea who just walked in. But what's about to happen in the next few minutes will change his life forever. This is the true story of how a rock legend paid a debt no one expected. Stay until the end, because the final twist of the story will leave you speechless. Tuesday afternoon, downtown Los Angeles, a man walks down Sunset Boulevard with his hood up, dark glasses, scarf covering his face. Nobody looks twice. He's just another passerby in a city that seemed all. He passes by new establishments, hipster cafes, vintage clothing stores. Everything is changing in this neighborhood. Everything except one place. He stops in front of a peeling red door. The neon sign says, Murphy's, but two letters have been burnt out for years. This place looks like it's from another era. And in a way, it is. The man observes the facade in silence. His hands tremble slightly. After 40 years, he's back. But he doesn't know if this is a good idea. He doesn't know if he should be here. He takes a deep breath. Con el cabello largo recogido, the sound of the rusty bell greets him like an old friend. Inside, the bar smells of old wood, stale beer, and memories no one has cleaned. Hola, señor Larkin. The lights are dim. The windows are covered in dust. Black and white photos of bands nobody remembers hang on the walls. There are three people inside. A Vietnam veteran named Jimmy sitting at his usual table, staring fixedly at his glass of beer as if it contained answers that will never come. Billy Bailey? He's been coming here for 20 years. No de edad, sino de emoción pura. Same beer. El mismo, same empty expression. Respondió Axel. A middle-aged woman named Rosa. Han pasado muchos sitting alone in the corner. El señor Larkin, she was a waitress at this place for 2 decades until her knees said enough. Como si fuera algo now sagrado. She just comes to remember Dios when mío, the bar Billy was full of life and Dios music. Mío. And behind the bar, cleaning the same glass entraron a la casa que olía a madera stands Frank Murphy, y café recién hecho. 62 years old. El salón estaba lleno de fotografías. From a lifetime of décadas de enseñanza. Face marked by time. En una pared colgaban diplomas y reconocimientos. Hunch posture of someone who's carried the weight of the world on his shoulders. This bar is all he has. Y allí, and he's losing it. Frank looks up when the stranger enters. He says 11 años, con una sonrisa tímida. Another customer, another same day. Billy Bailey, another glass to clean. In Axel the man walks slowly Nunca saqué tu foto. Each step dijo makes the wooden floor creak. Señalando el marco. That sound feels familiar. Supe que harías as if his feet remember this Axel place. Se acercó even though his mind tries to forget it. He sits on a stool. The same stool where he sat 40 years ago, waiting for his turn to go on stage. He lowers his hood but keeps his dark glasses on. He's not ready to be recognized Billy yet. Bailey era un niño problemático en una familia caótica. As if he'd screamed for 1,000 nights and now su hogar era un campo de batalla. Frank pours the drink without asking questions. At Murphy's you don't ask, you serve and you listen. El señor Larkin, he slides it across the bar with the automatic movement of someone who's done this millions of times. The man takes the glass, looks at it for a moment, then drinks, closes his eyes. Talento. The whiskey burns, but it's a familiar pain. Like coming home after too long. This place is still the same. Preguntó el señor Larkin, more to himself than to Frank. Frank looks at him sideways while cleaning another glass. Have you been here before? A long time ago. I don't remember you. The man barely smiles. Me dijo que la música era para maricas. That doesn't surprise me. I was a different person then. Hair down to my waist, 20 kilos thinner, full of rage and stupid dreams. Frank stops cleaning for a second. There are thousands of kids like that who've passed through his bar over the years. Kids with guitars and impossible dreams. Most failed. Some disappeared. None came back. You played here. It's not a question. It's a statement. Yes. When? 1985. Frank puts his glass down on the bar. Ya cumpliste con creces. Vendiste millones de discos. The year he still believed his bar would become something big. Hiciste historia. An important place. Axel negó con a breeding ground for talent. That was 40 years ago. The man gestures toward the back of the bar with his head. That stage. Y lo colocó sobre la mesa de café. Frank looks over there. Esto es lo que debía ser hace barely half a meter. Abrió el maletín. The faded red curtains. La primera era un sobregrueso. La segunda era una guitarra acústica Gibson Hummingbird. There hasn't been music here in over 15 years. Con incrustaciones de nácar que brillaban como estrellas. Señor Larkin, comenzó Nobody plays at places like this anymore. Durante años kids go to clubs with LED lights and digital sound. Dinero parecía vacío. Un reconocimiento público parecía insuficiente, así que hice algo diferente. Abrió el sobre y sacó varios documentos. Esto es la escritura de una fundación que establecí en su nombre. La fundación William Larkin para educación musical ya está financiada con $5 millones. Su propósito es dar clases de música gratuitas a niños en situaciones de riesgo. 3, 4 a night on Fridays. El señor Larkin se llevó una mano temblorosa. But I gave them a chance because everyone deserves a chance. No diga nada todavía, the man interrumpió Axel. That's what my band was called. Porque we played here 3 times. Sacó la guitarra del maletín. The third time you kicked us out because I broke a microphone during a tantrum. Esta es la guitarra Frank stops completely. Sweet Hollywood Rose. La que the name hits something deep in his memory. En nuestro primer concierto masivo after decades closed. Hollywood Rose. El profesor miró la guitarra como si fuera un artefacto divino. Yes, no puedo aceptar you were loud. You fought with each other on stage. Vale exactamente the singer had the temper of the devil. That was me, respondió the man admits with a dry laugh. Esperanza. Frank looks at him intently now, dio esperanza trying to see the 19-year-old kid underneath the 60-year-old man in madera y cuerdas. What happened to the band? We broke up 6 months later. Creative differences. Las lágrimas corrían libremente. Really, it was that we all hated everyone. But some of us kept going. Que eras especial, we formed another band, pero nunca imaginé esto. It turned out different from what we expected. Dijo different how? Secándose the man spins his glass on the bar. Mañana hay una ceremonia. The whiskey reflects en la escuela secundaria Jefferson. Let's just say we were successful. En su honor. More successful el auditorio William Larkin. There's something in his voice. Something in the way his shoulders van a estar sus antiguos estudiantes. Frank has heard enough stories in this bar to know when someone is carrying too much weight. Ahí. Was it worth it? El señor Larkin estaba abrumado. He doesn't know why he asked this question. Maybe because he asks himself the same thing every day. The man takes time to respond. I don't know. Todo lo que soy. I had everything I wanted. And I lost everything I needed. Fame, money, women, drugs, travel, awards, everything. But look where I am now, sitting on the same stool, drinking the same whiskey, wondering if I made the right choices. Frank nods. He understands that more than the stranger could imagine. Before he can respond, the bar door opens violently. The bell rings urgently. A 40-year-old man enters, gray suit that seems 2 sizes too small, loosened tie, leather briefcase, expression of someone who's had a terrible day and it's about to get worse. It's Michael Murphy, Frank's son. Es porque usted me enseñó que la música no se trata de fama. We need to talk. Se trata de conexión. Frank sighs deeply. De verdad. He knows exactly de tocar el alma de alguien que necesita. They've had this conversation 15 times in the last 2 months. And each time it's more desperate. Michael, it's not the time. It's never the time. Los hiciste sentir algo real. The frustration of months coming to the surface. It's never the time to talk about reality. It's never the time to accept that this is over. He approaches the bar, takes out some papers from his briefcase, and throws them on the counter. Frank doesn't even look at them. Larkin, he already knows what they say. The bank called again. Algunos que habían seguido this is the last warning, Dad. If you don't pay $60,000 in the next 30 days, they're going to foreclose on the más difíciles de su carrera. They're going to take the bar. Las veces que casi se ríe everything. Las luchas internas que nadie veía that even Jimmy looks up from his beer. Y las luces del escenario. Rosa stops looking out the window. Confesó Axel. The hooded man observes the scene without moving. En los que el éxito se sentía como una prisión. His knuckles turn white as he grips the rag tightly. I'll find a way. Las expectativas eran aplastantes. Y Michael is on the verge of tears from frustration. How? You don't have customers. Look at this place. 3 people on a Tuesday afternoon. Axel sin dudar. You don't generate enough to pay the electricity. You can't keep living in denial. I'm not in denial, Frank says in a low but firm voice. I'm fighting. Quedamos segundos y yo estaba devastado. No, Dad, you're clinging to something that already died. El señor Larkin pensó por un momento. This bar isn't what it was. Te dije que el lugar en el que terminas, no importa. You have to sell it to that investor group that made you the offer. You can retire. Exactamente. You can live your last years in peace. Esas palabras me salvaron más veces de las que puede imaginar. Cuando el ego se volvía demasiado grande, cuando la presión era demasiada, if I lose it, volvía a esa frase. Michael has no answer for that. The hooded man has been listening to everything in silence. El profesor sonrió con una mezcla de orgullo y nostalgia. His voice cuts the air like a knife. Nunca sabes cuándo una palabra Michael turns toward him. Esa es la magia y el terror de ser maestro. How much does he owe the bank? Frank intervenes quickly. That's none
Hablaron
of your
sobre
business.
familia,
Thanks for the
sobre
interest,
dolor,
but this is a family
sobre
problem.
redención.
$60,000
le contó al profesor
Michael
sobre
says,
su relación
ignoring his
tortuosa
father.
con su padrastro,
Desperation makes
sobre
him talk.
cómo la música
Plus
había sido su
12,000
salvavidas
accumulated
en un
interest.
océano de violencia
72,000
doméstica.
total.
Le habló
The man
sobre las
nods slowly,
terapias, las
takes his
luchas
phone
con la
out of
ira,
his pocket.
los años de
His
trabajo
fingers move
interno
quickly
para
across the
convertirse
screen.
en una mejor
He's
versión
writing
de sí
something.
mismo. Pasé
Numbers.
décadas enojado
Banking
con el
information.
mundo. This is
Admitió
ridiculous.
Axel.
Enojado
Frank
con
says,
mi padrastro.
You're not going to pay a
enojado con mi
stranger's
madre
debt.
por no
The man looks
protegerme.
up.
Enojado
And for the
conmigo
first time,
mismo por no poder
there's a
superarlo.
genuine smile
Pero
on his face.
eventualmente entendí
You're not a
algo.
stranger, Frank.
El enojo
You gave
es
me
como
my
beber
first
veneno
opportunity.
y esperar
Now
que
I'm
la otra
returning the
persona
favor.
muera.
I don't know
Tenía
who
que
you
soltarlo.
are. Frank
¿Y lo
says.
lograste?
Though something in
Preguntó
his
el señor
chest tells
Larkin.
him that's not
Estoy
completely
trabajando
true.
en ello.
What name is the
Respondió
loan
Axel
the man
honestamente.
asked. Frank Murphy.
Algunos días
Commercial
son
mortgage
mejores que
for
otros.
Murphy's Bar. Michael
Pero aprendí
responds
que el
automatically.
perdón
He's
no
still
es para
confused, still
es
processing
para
what's
mí.
happening. The
Para
man makes a
liberarme
few
de
more
esas
clicks on
cadenas.
his phone.
El profesor
Then
asintió
puts
con
it away in his
sabiduría.
pocket.
Eso es crecimiento, Billy.
You should
Eso es
receive
madurez.
confirmation in the
Y
next
eso es
few
algo
minutes.
que ninguna
Michael
cantidad
looks
de
at him
fama
like
o
he's
dinero puede
crazy.
comprar. A la
What?
mañana siguiente,
What are you talking
la
about?
ceremonia en la
Before the
escuela
man can
secundaria
respond,
Jefferson
Michael's
fue
phone
emotiva más
vibrates in
allá
his
de las
pocket.
palabras.
Once,
El auditorio estaba
twice,
lleno de antiguos
3 times.
estudiantes del señor
Consecutive
Larkin.
notifications.
Algunos ahora en
Michael
sus
takes it
60
out with
años.
trembling hands.
Otros
Reads the
apenas
screen.
entrando en sus
His eyes
30. Todos
widen.
tenían
His mouth
historias que
opens.
contar sobre
The
cómo
color
ese
disappears
profesor
from his face.
había cambiado
It
sus
can't
vidas.
be.
Cuando
He
llegó el
whispers.
turno de Axel
What's
de
wrong?
hablar,
Frank
subió al
asks with his
escenario
heart
sin
racing.
pretensiones,
Michael looks
sin
up.
el personaje
First
del
at his
rockero
father,
legendario.
then at the
Era
hooded
solo
man.
Billy Bailey,
His voice comes out as
agradeciendo
an
al hombre que
incredulous
le había
whisper.
dado una
The
oportunidad.
bank, they just
Señor
confirmed.
Larkin, comenzó,
Transfer
su
received.
voz
The
amplificada
complete
llenando
debt
el
is paid.
auditorio. Hay personas que pasan por
$70,000.
nuestras vidas
3,000
y nos
more than
enseñan
we owed.
lecciones que
Frank feels
olvidamos
his
en
legs
una
weaken.
semana.
He
Y
has to lean
luego
on
hay
the bar to keep
personas
from
como
falling.
usted
What?
que nos enseñan
The sender's
lecciones
name.
que llevamos por el
Michael
resto de
swallows.
nuestras vidas.
His hands are
Hizo una
shaking so
pausa,
much he almost
permitiendo
drops
que
the
sus
phone.
palabras resonaran.
The name is Axl
Usted me
Rose.
enseñó que
The
tener
name
talento
falls like a
no es
nuclear bomb
suficiente.
in the small bar.
Me enseñó
Axl
que hay que
Rose.
tener corazón,
If you're enjoying the
que hay que
story,
tener valentía,
subscribe to the channel.
que hay que estar
What comes
dispuesto a
next is
sangrar
going to
un
blow your
poco para
mind.
crear algo
Axl
verdadero.
Rose.
La
The
audiencia
Axl
escuchaba en
Rose.
silencio
The
absoluto,
living rock legend.
cautivada.
The singer of
Vengo
Guns
de
N'
un lugar
Roses.
oscuro.
The man
continuó
who
Axl.
filled Wembley Stadium,
Un lugar donde
who
los
sold
niños
over
aprenden que
100
el amor
million
viene con
records,
puños.
who created
Donde la
Sweet
esperanza es
Child
un
O'
lujo
Mine
que no te
and
puedes
November
permitir.
Rain, who became a
Donde
global
soñar es
cultural
peligroso
icon.
porque los
He's
sueños
sitting
se
in his
rompen
bar.
fácilmente.
Frank stares at him.
Pero este
His
hombre,
brain can't process the
sentado acá
information.
en la primera fila,
It's too much.
me
It's
dijo que mis
impossible.
sueños valían
No.
la pena. Me
It
dijo
can't
que mi
be.
voz importaba.
You.
Y cuando
Are you?
nadie más lo
The man
hacía,
slowly
él me
removes his
escuchó.
dark glasses,
Axel bajó
reveals
del
those
escenario
blue-green
y
eyes that have
caminó
been on
hacia
1,000
donde estaba
magazine
sentado el
covers.
señor Larkin.
On millions of posters,
Se arrodilló frente
in
al
countless
anciano,
documentaries.
mirándolo directamente
Those
a
eyes
los
the
ojos.
whole world would recognize
Le
in a
prometí hace
second.
45
I'm the kid who
años que
broke your
volvería.
microphone in
Le prometí que
1985.
si alguna vez lo
Axl
lograba,
Rose says with an
vendría y
ironic
le
smile.
diría gracias.
And it seems
Bueno,
I still owe you
acá
that
estoy.
microphone. Michael
Gracias,
is
señor
completely
Larkin.
paralyzed.
Gracias
Can't
por
move.
verme cuando
Can't
era
speak.
invisible.
Rose
Gracias
from
por
her table
creer
has
cuando
dropped
era
her glass,
imposible.
and the liquid spilled
Gracias
on the
por
table.
salvarme.
Even
El
Jimmy has
auditorio
left his
estalló en
beard and
aplausos.
staring with his mouth
El
open.
señor Larkin
Frank feels
abrazó
tears
a
burning
Axl.
in his eyes.
Ambos
40
hombres
years,
llorando sin
40
vergüenza.
years since that
Sin
skinny furious
pretensiones.
kid went on his
Era un
stage.
momento de humanidad
And now
pura,
he's here, in
despojado
front of
de
him,
todo el ruido
having just
y
saved
las
his bar.
distracciones del
Why?
mundo exterior.
Is
Después
all
de la
Frank can say.
ceremonia, Axel
Why would you
pasó
do
el
this?
resto del día en Lafayette.
And 10.
Visitó
Axl
la vieja
gets up from
escuela
the
donde
stool,
había estudiado.
walks slowly toward
Caminó
the
por los
forgotten
pasillos
stage
que
in
no
the
había
back of the
pisado en
bar.
décadas.
His
Visitó
steps
el
are
salón de
deliberate.
música
Each
donde
one
había
seems to carry the
descubierto su
weight of
amor por
decades.
cantar.
He starts moving
Todo
the boxes.
parecía más pequeño
Frank
de
and
lo que
Michael
recordaba,
watch him, not knowing
pero la
what to do.
emoción era igual de
Axl
grande.
moves aside
En una
the
de las
broken
aulas,
chairs,
encontró a un grupo
cleans
de
the dust
estudiantes
from the
actuales
microphone with his hand,
practicando para un
reveals the
concierto.
small stage that hasn't
Eran
seen
niños de
action in
diferentes
15
edades.
years. This
Algunos con
place,
talento obvio,
Axl says
otros
without
claramente
turning around.
luchando.
His
Se
voice
quedó en la
resonates in
puerta,
the silent
observando
bar.
en
This
silencio.
place is where it all
Uno de
started
los
for me.
niños,
He
un
turns
chico
toward
de
Frank.
unos 12 años
His
con
eyes are
aparatos en
glassy.
los dientes,
Not just
lo
Hollywood,
reconoció.
monsieur. Not just
Oye,
my career.
sos Axl
Rose,
But me,
gritó
the
el
person
niño,
I became,
haciendo que
for
todos los
better and
demás
worse.
voltearan. He walks toward
Axel
Frank,
sonrió.
stands in front of
Culpable.
him. I was
¿Puedo
19 the
entrar?
first time I
El
went on that
profesor de
stage.
música del
It was
grupo,
1,000,
una mujer joven que
985.
claramente estaba
I had arrived
emocionada,
in Los
pero
Angeles from
tratando de
Indiana
mantener
6
la
months earlier
compostura,
with $50 in a
asintió
backpack.
vigorosamente.
I slept on the
Por
floor of
supuesto,
friends'
señor
apartments.
Es
Sometimes
un
on
honor.
the street.
Axel
I ate
entró
once
y
a
se
day if I
sentó
was
en una
lucky.
de las sillas
Frank
de
listens
plástico
without
del aula.
interrupting.
¿Qué están
Michael is
practicando?
recording everything with his
Un
phone.
popurrí de
We
canciones
formed Hollywood
clásicas de
Rose
rock
because no
para el
other
concierto
bar
de
would
fin de
play.
año.
We were too
Explicó la
loud,
profesora.
too violent,
Estamos
too
haciendo una versión
uncontrollable.
de Sweet Child
But
O'
you,
Mine.
Axel
se
points at
rió.
Frank.
Esa
You
es
said
una
yes
elección
to us.
ambiciosa.
Not because
¿Puedo
we were
escucharla?
good. We
Los
were
estudiantes,
But you gave us
nerviosos
a
pero
space.
emocionados,
a microphone,
tocaron su versión de la
an
canción.
opportunity.
No era perfecta,
I just
ni
let bands
remotamente
play.
cercana. Frank
Había
says with a
notas
trembling
desafinadas,
voice, ritmos
It wasn't
erráticos,
anything special,
momentos de caos
not to
total.
you,
pero había
Axl
algo
responds
hermoso
with
en su
intensity.
imperfección.
But for me,
Había
it was
pasión.
everything. That
Había
night,
esfuerzo.
when I went on that
Había
stage in
corazón.
front of 20 drunk
Cuando
people
terminaron,
who weren't paying
Axl
attention
aplaudió
to
con
us,
entusiasmo.
I felt something
Eso
I'd never
estuvo
felt
increíble,
before.
chicos.
I felt
¿En
I was in
serio?
the right place,
Preguntó uno
doing
de
the
los
right
estudiantes,
thing,
claramente
being who I was
dudando.
supposed to be.
Pensé
He
que
runs
lo
a
habíamos
hand through his
arruinado.
hair.
Para nada,
A gesture Frank
respondió
remembers
Axl.
from the 19-year-old
¿Sabes qué es
kid.
lo más
It
importante
wasn't
en la
successful.
música?
No
I
es
broke the
tocar
microphone
todas las
because I got
notas
frustrated.
perfectamente.
We fought
Es
on
sentir
stage.
lo que estás
You
tocando.
kicked us out.
Y ustedes
You told us not to come
definitivamente
back.
sienten esa
And you
canción.
were right.
But
Eso
it
es lo
didn't
que
matter.
importa.
Pasó
Pasó
la
la
siguiente
siguiente
hora
hora trabajando
life.
con los estudiantes,
It gave me
dándoles
confidence.
consejos,
It gave me
compartiendo
validation.
historias,
It gave me
haciéndolos
the
reír.
certainty
Les
that
habló
this
sobre
was
sus
what I had
propios
to do.
errores,
Axl
sobre
looks
las
around the
veces
bar,
que arruinó
the peeling
presentaciones
walls,
importantes,
the old photos,
sobre cómo el
the smell of
fracaso
history.
es solo
We
otra
formed
forma
Guns
de
N' Roses
aprendizaje.
a year later.
La primera vez que
And the
canté en
rest,
público,
as they say,
les
is
contó,
history.
estaba
We
tan
played on the
nervioso
biggest
que
stages in
vomité
the
antes
world,
de subir al
in
escenario.
front of millions of
Y
people.
cuando finalmente canté,
I won awards, I
olvidé
made
la mitad
money,
de la letra.
I gained fame.
Fue un desastre
I had it
absoluto,
all.
pero
He
seguí
pauses.
intentando.
His expression
Y
becomes
eventualmente
darker.
mejoré.
But I also
Los
lost
niños
a lot.
escuchaban con los ojos
Friends,
bien abiertos,
relationships,
fascinados
health,
de que incluso
sanity.
alguien tan famoso
There were
como
nights when I
Axl
wished I'd
Rose
never gone on
hubiera
any
pasado
stage.
por las mismas
Nights when fame
inseguridades
felt
que
like a
ellos.
prison.
Antes
He
de
looks
irse,
Frank directly in
Axl
the
dejó
eyes.
algo con
But
la
I never
profesora de
came back
música.
here. I never
Era un
thanked you.
cheque por
I never told you
$50,000
that without
para el
that
programa
first
de
step,
música de la escuela,
without that first
para
stage,
instrumentos,
without that
equipos,
first
lo
opportunity,
que necesiten,
nothing that
dijo
came after would have
simplemente
been possible.
Estos
Frank
niños
has
merecen
tears
las
running
mejores
down his
herramientas
cheeks now.
posibles. He doesn't
Esa
try to
noche,
stop
de
them.
vuelta en Los
You didn't
Ángeles.
have to pay my
Axl
debt,
reflexionó
he
sobre
says
el
with a
viaje.
broken voice. Había cumplido
Yes,
su
I did.
promesa.
Axl
Había
responds
cerrado un
firmly.
círculo que había
Because
estado
you gave
abierto
me
durante
something
casi medio
priceless.
siglo.
You gave me
Pero
a
más
place
que
to
eso,
start.
había
You gave
recordado
me the
algo
opportunity
fundamental
to
sobre sí
discover
mismo,
who I was.
que nunca
Now
había
I'm
sido
giving you
sobre
the
la fama
opportunity
o el
to keep doing the
reconocimiento.
same for others.
Había sido sobre
Michael
la conexión.
approaches.
Sobre
How
el
did you know
impacto,
the bar was in
sobre
trouble?
usar su
Axl
voz para
smiles
decir algo
slightly.
que importaba.
A musician
Dos
friend
semanas
mentioned it to me
después,
2
el
weeks
señor
ago.
Larkin llamó a
He said
Axl.
the legendary
Billy,
Murphys was going
dijo
to
con voz
close.
emocionada.
And
Tenés
something
que ver
inside me
esto.
broke.
Le envió un
I
enlace a
realized
un
that if I
video.
let this
Era
place
uno de los
disappear without
estudiantes
doing
de la
anything,
escuela.
I'd
El
be
chico
letting
de
a
los
part of my
aparatos,
history die.
subiendo su
A
propia
part that
canción
matters more than
original a
all the
YouTube.
gold and
En la
platinum
descripción,
records I have
el
hanging
niño
on the
había
walls.
escrito:
He turns toward the
Gracias,
stage
Axl
again.
Rose,
There
por
are kids
recordarme
right
que
now
todos
like me,
tenemos una voz.
desperate,
Esta es la mía.
hungry,
Axl vio el
full of
video
talent,
3 veces,
but with no place to give
sintiendo
them a
un
chance.
orgullo que era
And if
diferente a
Murphy's
cualquier
closes,
premio o
they lose one
reconocimiento
more
que había
place where they can
recibido en su
try.
carrera.
Axl looks at Frank
Este era el
seriously.
verdadero legado.
That's why I asked
No las
something in
ventas de
return.
discos o los
I don't
récords de
want you to thank
asistencia.
me. I don't want
Era
recognition.
esto. The only thing I
Inspirar a la
want is for
próxima
you to promise to
generación
keep
a
giving
encontrar su
opportunities to
propia
those
voz.
kids. El señor
To the
Larkin
ones who are
continuó
loud,
siendo una
to
presencia
the
en la
ones who
vida
are
de
chaotic,
Axl.
to the
Hablaban
ones who break
regularmente por
microphones
teléfono,
and fight on
compartiendo
stage,
historias, because one of them could
actualizándose
be the
sobre
next
la
me,
fundación que
or they
llevaba
could
su
be
nombre.
better. La
Frank nods
Fundación
without
William
hesitation.
Larkin había comenzado a
promise.
expandirse,
Axl extends
abriendo
his
programas
hand.
en 6
Frank
ciudades
takes it.
diferentes.
The grip is firm,
Miles de niños
honest,
estaban recibiendo
like a
clases
pact
de
sealed
música
between two
gratuitas,
men who
muchos de ellos
understand
de entornos
what really
similares
matters.
al de Axl.
One more thing.
Un año después de
Axl
aquel
says,
reencuentro,
does that microphone
Axl
still work?
organizó un
Frank
concierto
blinks
especial en
confused.
Lafayette. Era un
I
evento
think so.
íntimo. Solo unas
Nobody's used it
500
in years.
personas.
Perfect.
Todas las
Axl
ganancias
smiles.
destinadas a la
Because I
fundación.
came to finish
El señor
what I started
Larkin
40 years ago.
estaba sentado
What
en la
follows
primera
is
fila,
something none of
junto a
those
antiguos
present will ever
estudiantes y
forget.
miembros de la
Axl
comunidad.
helps Frank and
Durante
Michael
el
completely
concierto,
clean the stage.
Axl hizo algo
They
que
move all
pocas
the
veces
boxes,
hacía.
sweep the
Habló
dust,
extensamente
clean the
entre
microphone.
canciones, contando
Rosa gets
historias,
up from her table to help
conectando
too.
con la audiencia en
Even
un nivel
Jimmy leaves his
profundamente
beard to lend a
personal.
hand.
Habló
When the
sobre
stage
su
is
infancia
ready,
en Lafayette,
Axl climbs
sobre
the
los
2 wooden
demonios que
steps
había
that creak
enfrentado,
under his weight.
sobre el
He
camino
stands in front of the
tortuoso hacia la
microphone.
redención.
Adjusted
La
to his
música
height.
me salvó la vida,
Test it.
dijo al
Check,
micrófono.
check.
The voice
Pero
fue
fue
un
un
maestro
maestro
quien me
but it
mostró
works.
cómo usar
Good
esa
enough.
salvación.
There are no
Señor
guitars,
Larkin,
no
esto
drums,
es para usted.
no giant
Y comenzó a
amplifiers.
tocar una una versión
band,
acústica íntima
no
de
lights,
Patience,
no
una
special
canción que
effects.
había escrito.
There's just
pensando
Axl
en todas
Rose,
las
an
veces
old
que su
microphone,
profesor había
and
sido
5
paciente
people in
con
an
él
empty bar on a
cuando
Tuesday
era un niño
afternoon.
problemático.
And he starts to
Cuando
sing,
terminó,
a cappella,
el auditorio estaba en
just
silencio
his
total.
voice.
Luego,
That voice that has filled
lentamente,
stadiums,
el aplauso
that has
comenzó
sold
a crecer,
millions of records,
convirtiéndose en
that's
una ovación de
recognizable
pie
anywhere
que
in the
duró
world.
varios minutos.
He doesn't sing
El señor Larkin
Sweet Child of
lloraba
Mine.
abiertamente.
He doesn't
sin
sing
intentar
November
ocultar
Rain
sus
or
lágrimas.
Paradise City.
Los meses
or any of his
siguientes
hits,
trajeron
everyone
más
knows.
cambios.
He sings
La
something
fundación
Frank doesn't
continuó
recognize.
creciendo,
Something that
impactando
sounds
cada vez más
intimate,
vidas.
personal.
Axl se
Maybe a
involucró
new song he's
personalmente,
never recorded.
visitando
Or maybe
los
something very
programas,
old he wrote when he
conociendo
was
a los
19 and
estudiantes,
sleeping in the streets.
compartiendo su
It's a
historia.
song about coming
Descubrió
home,
que estas
about not
interacciones
forgetting
lo
where you
llenaban
come
de
from,
una manera que
about
las
the
giras
people who
mundiales
helped you when you were
nunca lo
nobody.
habían hecho.
Uno
about
de los
the debt you
estudiantes
can
del
never fully
programa,
pay,
una
but
niña
have
de
to
14
try.
años
Each
llamada
note
María
comes out loaded
escribió
with
una
emotion,
carta que la
with
fundación
life
compartió
lived,
con Axel.
with
En
mistakes
ella
made and lessons
describía
learned.
cómo la música le había
Frank
dado un
stands
propósito
completely paralyzed.
cuando estaba al borde
Tears
de
flow
darse
freely
por
down his
vencida.
wrinkled face.
Cómo las
Michael
clases
is recording
gratuitas
everything,
le
but he's
habían
also
mostrado
crying.
que tenía talento,
Rosa's sobs
que
openly
tenía
with her
valor,
hands over her
cómo
mouth.
había comenzado a
Even
soñar
Jimmy
con
has
una
moist
vida
eyes.
más allá de su
When Axel
vecindario
finishes
violento.
the song,
Gracias
there's
por
a
crear
silence
este
so
programa.
profound,
Escribió
you can hear
María.
the hum of the beer
Gracias por
refrigerator in the
creer
corner.
que niños
Nobody
como yo
applauds.
merecen
Not
una
because the
oportunidad.
song wasn't incredible,
Un día voy a ser
but
tan
because
famosa como
applauding
usted,
would feel
y cuando
insufficient,
eso pase,
small,
voy a hacer lo mismo por
inadequate
otros
for what
niños.
they just witnessed.
Es una promesa.
Axel slowly
Cuando
descends
Axel
from the
leyó
stage,
esa carta,
takes his hood
sintió
and
que el
puts it back
círculo
on,
se había
puts on his
completado
dark
nuevamente.
glasses. He's returning to
María
anonymity.
era él.
Thank you,
Hace
Frank, he
45
says
años.
simply.
For
Y ahora,
everything. Él
thank
era el
you,
señor Larkin.
Frank responds.
El ciclo
His
continuaba.
voice is barely audible.
Generación tras generación.
For remembering,
impacto
Axel
tras
walks
impacto.
toward the door.
En una entrevista
Before
varios
leaving,
meses
he turns
después,
one last
le
time.
preguntaron a
Murphy's
Axel
is going to be
sobre su
okay
legado.
now.
You're
¿Qué
going to
quería
have
que la gente
customers again.
recordara de él cuando
But
ya
when
no
they come,
estuviera?
don't keep
Su
them just for
respuesta
the
fue
gossip.
simple pero
Keep them
profunda.
for the music.
No quiero que me
for the
recuerden por las
opportunities you
canciones
give,
que escribí,
for what this
por los
place really
discos que
represents.
vendí.
I
Dijo,
will.
Frank
Quiero que me
promises.
recuerden por las
And
vidas
Frank,
que toqué. Por
Axel
los niños
smiles
que
under the
pudieron
hood.
encontrar su
Get a
voz
new microphone.
gracias a un programa
That
que
one
creamos.
served its time.
Por
And
mantener
with that,
viva la memoria
Axl
de un
Rose
maestro que
opens the
cambió mi
door
vida
and disappears
Eso
into
es
the
un
gray
regalo.
Los Angeles
Todo
afternoon.
lo demás es
The
solo
bell
ruido.
rings one last
El
time.
señor Larkin
Frank stands
falleció
in the
2
middle of
años
his
después
bar,
de aquel reencuentro.
looking at the closed door.
Tenía 84
feeling he
años
just
y
lived
se fue
through something that will
pacíficamente en su
change the
sueño.
rest of his life.
En su funeral,
Michael puts a hand
Axel
on his
dio el
shoulder.
elogio.
Dad,
No habló como Axl
did this
Rose,
really just
la
happen?
estrella de rock.
Frank nods.
Habló como Billy
He can't
Bailey,
speak yet.
el estudiante
That night,
agradecido.
Michael posts the video
Este
on
hombre
YouTube,
vio algo en
Instagram,
mí que yo no
TikTok.
podía ver en mí
He
mismo.
uploads it everywhere.
Dijo frente
The
a
title
cientos
is
de
simple but
personas
effective.
que habían sido
Axl
tocadas
Rose
por el
returned to the
profesor,
bar,
where
where
he
he
played
played
for the
esperanza
first
cuando
time.
no la tenía.
And
Me dio
saved
una
the
voz
place.
cuando estaba en
The
silencio.
next morning,
Me
the
dio un
video
futuro
has
cuando
2
solo
million
veía
views.
oscuridad.
By noon, su voz se quebró.
5 million.
Y ahora me
By the
toca
end of
a
the
mí
day,
hacer lo mismo
10
por
million.
otros. Porque
All
eso
the
es lo
media
que
are
él hubiera
talking about
querido.
Murphy's.
No monumentos o
CNN,
reconocimientos.
Rolling Stone,
Quería que siguiéramos
Billboard,
adelante con su misión.
TMZ.
Darles
The
a los
bar that
niños
was
la
about to
oportunidad
close
de
becomes the
descubrir la
most
magia de la
famous
música.
place in Los Angeles
Después del
overnight.
funeral,
By
Axl
Friday of that
anunció
week,
que
there's a
duplicaría el
2-block line
financiamiento de la
outside
fundación.
Murphy's.
People
10
wanting to
millones
see
de
the place
dólares
where
más
Axl Rose
para
started,
expandir los
where the
programas.
legend was born.
Nuevos centros
Frank
en
has to
ciudades de
hire
todo
3
el
new
país.
waiters, becas
2
completas para
bartenders,
estudiantes
a
talentosos,
cook, because
que
now he
quisieran
needs to
estudiar
serve
música
food
en
for
la
all the people
universidad.
coming.
El señor
He
Larkin
buys
me
new
dio todo.
tables,
Explicó
new
el
chairs,
anuncio. Repairs
Ahora
the
es mi
floor,
turno de
paints
devolver
the
ese
walls.
regalo.
But
Most
no solo a una
importantly,
persona,
he
sino a
completely
miles.
cleans the stage
Los años
and buys a new
pasaron.
microphone.
La
He
Fundación
puts up a
William
huge
Larkin se
sign that
convirtió
says,
en una de las
"Live
organizaciones
music Fridays,
educativas de
8
música
p.m.
más importantes
Local
del
bands
país.
welcome.
Miles de
No
estudiantes se
auditions.
graduaron de sus
Just bring your
programas.
passion.
Muchos
The
de
first
ellos
Friday after the
persiguiendo
viral
carreras
video,
musicales.
5
Otros
bands show up to
simplemente
play.
llevando el amor
They're
por
all
la
young
música en
kids.
sus corazones.
Some are 19 years
Axl
old.
nunca dejó de
The
estar
same age
involucrado.
Axl was when he
A
played
pesar
for
de
the
su
first
agenda
time.
ocupada,
They're loud. They're
siempre
chaotic.
encontraba tiempo
They're
para visitar
technically
los
imperfect.
programas,
And
hablar
Frank
con los
loves them all.
estudiantes,
Because now he
compartir su historia.
understands something he
Se
hadn't
convirtió en una
understood in
figura
40
paterna
years
para
of having
muchos de
this
los
bar.
niños que pasaban por
Murphy's
el programa,
isn't just a business.
especialmente aquellos
It's not
que,
just a
como
place to
él,
drink beer and
venían de
listen to
hogares
music.
rotos.
It's a
Una
starting
noche,
point,
después
a
de una
launchpad,
visita a uno de
a
los
place where
centros en
dreams
Detroit,
that don't have form
Axl
yet
recibió
start
un
to take
mensaje
shape.
de una de
3
las
months after the
estudiantes
meeting
que
with
había
Axl,
conocido años
Frank
atrás.
receives a certified
Era
package.
María,
There's
la
no
chica
sender,
que había escrito
just his
aquella
address
carta
written by hand.
conmovedora.
Inside
Ahora tenía
is a
21
professionally
años
framed
y
photo.
acababa de
It's
firmar
from
su primer contrato discográfico.
1985.
Cumplí mi promesa.
The
escribió.
quality is terrible.
Estoy en camino.
Blurry.
Y
Yellowed
cuando
by
llegue,
time,
voy a
but
hacer
you can clearly
exactamente
see
lo que usted
a
hizo.
skinny young
Voy a
man with
ayudar
hair
a
down to
otros
his
niños
waist
a encontrar
is
su
on
voz.
Murphy's small stage.
El ciclo continúa.
He's gripping the
Axl
microphone with
sonrió
both
mientras
hands.
leía el mensaje.
His mouth is open in a
El
scream.
círculo no se había
His
cerrado.
expression is one
Se
of
había
fierce
expandido.
determination
Se había
mixed with pure
multiplicado.
fear.
Y
It's
seguiría
Axl
haciéndolo.
Rose.
Generación
At
tras
19 years
generación.
old,
At his first
impactando
performance,
vidas de maneras
Frank
que
turns the
él
photo
nunca
over.
podría medir completamente.
On the back is a
Esa
handwritten
noche,
note in black
solo en
ink.
su casa,
Frank,
Axel
thank
sacó
you
la
for
vieja
believing in
foto
a
que
kid
el
who
señor
didn't know
Larkin
who he
tenía en
was
su
yet.
salón.
We all need
La
someone
foto
to
de
give us
Billy
that
Bailey,
first chance.
el niño
You were
pelirrojo
that
de
someone
11
for
años
me.
con una sonrisa
Now you're
tímida.
that someone
Después
for
del
hundreds
funeral,
more.
la
Never
familia del
underestimate
profesor se
the
la
power
había
of
dado,
giving someone a place
sabiendo
to
cuánto
start,
significaría
a
para
stage
él.
to stand
Miró a
on,
ese niño en la
a microphone to
fotografía,
scream into,
viendo el dolor
a
en sus
chance
ojos,
to discover who
pero
they
también
are.
la
The
chispa de
world needs
esperanza.
more places like Murphy's.
Lo logré, señor
And more
Larkin,
people like
susurró.
you. With eternal
Cumplí mi
gratitude,
promesa,
Axel.
y voy a
Frank
seguir
hangs the
cumpliéndola
framed
hasta el
photo on the
último
wall
día de mi
behind the
vida.
bar. Colgó la
right
foto
in
en
the
su
center,
estudio de grabación,
where he can see it
justo
every
frente
day,
al micrófono donde
where
grababa
everyone who
todas
enters
sus
the bar
canciones.
can see it too.
Un recordatorio
And every time a new
constante
musician
de dónde
enters
venía,
nervously into the
de
bar
quién lo
asking
había
if they can
ayudado
play
a
on
llegar hasta
Friday,
ahí, de la
Frank looks at that
responsabilidad
photo
que
and
tenía de
smiles.
seguir adelante con
Of
ese
course,
legado. Porque al
says,
final,
eso
everyone
es lo que
deserves a
realmente
first
importa.
time. Murphy's
No la
is still
fama,
open today.
no el dinero,
Stronger
no los
than ever.
premios o el
Every Friday
reconocimiento.
night, the stage fills
Es el
with kids
impacto
with
que dejas en
impossible
el mundo.
dreams.
Las
Las
vidas
vidas
que
que
tocas,
tocas,
las
las
puertas
puertas
que
que
abrís
abrís
para
para
otros.
With
El
songs
señor
they wrote
Larkin
in their bedrooms.
le había enseñado
Some of
eso
them will
hacía
fail.
45 años.
Some will disappear
Y
after one
ahora,
show and
Axl
never
Rose
return.
estaba enseñándole lo
Some will
mismo a
realize
miles de
music
niños
isn't their path.
alrededor del país.
But maybe,
el ciclo
just maybe,
continuaba. La
one of them
promesa
will
se
become
cumplía
something
una
extraordinary.
y otra vez.
One of them
Y la
will fill
música,
stadiums.
esa fuerza
One of
mágica
them
que
will
une
change the
almas
world
y
with their
transforma
music.
vidas,
And when that
seguía
happens,
sonando.
when that kid
En uno
becomes
de
a
los
star,
últimos correos que
maybe
María
they'll
le
come
envió
back
a
40
Axl,
years later to say
había
thank
una
you.
pregunta
Just
simple
like
pero
Axl Rose
profunda.
did.
If you
¿Cómo
made it to
sabes
the end of
cuándo
this story,
realmente has tenido
subscribe
éxito?
to the channel
Axl
and activate
pensó en la
the bell for
pregunta
more
durante
stories
días
that will leave you
antes de
speechless.
responder.
Finalmente
in the
escribió,
comments,
¿tenés
Did
éxito
someone
cuando
ever
tu vida
give
se
you an
convierte en un
opportunity that
puente
changed your
para que
life?
otros crucen?
Who was that
Cuando tu
person?
historia inspira a
And
alguien
what did
más
they do for
a
you?
contar la
Because
suya.
at the end of the
Cuando
day,
tus luchas se
success
convierten
isn't
en las
measured in
lecciones
records
que
sold
ayudan a
or
otro a
stadiums
evitar
filled
los
or
mismos
awards
errores.
won.
It's
Ese es el
measured in the
verdadero
lives you
éxito.
touched. In the
Todo lo
doors you
demás es
opened
solo
for
estadísticas.
others. In the
María nunca
opportunities you
olvidó esa
created when no
respuesta.
one else did.
Y cuando años
Legends aren't
después,
born on big
ella misma
stages
se
under
convirtió
bright
en mentora
spotlights
para
with thousands
jóvenes
of people
artistas.
screaming.
They're
Repitió
born in
esas
small,
mismas palabras,
forgotten places,
pasando la
in
sabiduría
half-empty
a la
bars,
siguiente
on
generación.
stages half a
El
meter
legado del
high,
señor Larkin
with
vivía,
microphones that barely
no solo
work,
en Axl
in
Rose,
front of 20 people
sino en
who aren't
cada
paying
vida que
attention.
tocaba.
They're
En
born
cada
when
niño
someone
que
says,
encontraba su
"Go
voz,
ahead,
gracias
get up
a
there,
esa cadena de
show us
bondad
what you've got."
que comenzó
And that
décadas
simple
atrás en un
opportunity,
salón de clases
that
en
simple
Lafayette,
act of faith,
Indiana,
changes
y
everything.
así la
That's what
historia de
Frank
un
Murphy
maestro y
did
su
for Axl
estudiante
Rose
se
in
convirtió en la
1985.
historia de miles.
And that's what
Una
Axl
promesa
Rose gave back to
cumplida
them
se
40 years
transformó
later.
en
A
miles de
complete
promesas
cycle.
nuevas.
A
Una
debt
voz
paid,
salvada se
a legacy
multiplicó en un
preserved,
coro de
and
esperanza
hundreds
que
of
resonaba en
possible
todo el
futures
país.
kept
Porque al
alive in
final,
a small
la
Los
verdadera
Angeles
promesa
bar that
nunca fue
refused to
solo
die.
sobre volver
Because
a
as
dar las
long as
gracias.
Murphy stays
Fue
open,
sobre
as
continuar
long
el
as that
trabajo,
stage keeps
sobre
receiving
mantener
kids
viva
with
la llama,
impossible dreams,
sobre asegurarse de que
magic
ningún
remains
niño
possible,
con talento
and
y
that
sueños
changes
se
everything.
perdiera en la
A promise
oscuridad
made in
porque nadie creyó en él.
1979 was
Esa
about to be
promesa,
fulfilled
hecha por
45
un
years
niño de
later.
11 años,
Axl Rose
a
had
su
just
profesor
stepped
de
off a
música,
private jet in
se había
Lafayette,
convertido en
Indiana,
algo mucho
with a
más
black
grande.
briefcase in his
Se
hand,
había
and a
convertido en un
pending debt
movimiento,
that had pursued
en
him
un
all his
legado,
life.
en una
What
razón
no
para
one
seguir
knew was that
adelante
this
incluso
trip would
cuando el
forever
mundo se
change
sentía
the way the
pesado.
world saw
Y
the
cada
rock
vez que
legend.
Axl Rose
Mr.
subía a
William
un
Larkin
escenario,
was 82
cada
years
vez que
old
cantaba
and lived in
esas
a modest
canciones que
two-story
habían
house
tocado
in the
a
same
millones,
neighborhood. Where
llevaba
he had taught
consigo
music
la
for 40
imagen de
years.
ese maestro
His
sentado
arthritic
en la
hands
primera
could
fila,
barely hold a pencil,
con lágrimas en
much
los
less
ojos,
play the
y
piano he
orgullo
had
en su
mastered in
corazón.
his youth.
Porque
That
todo,
October
absolutamente
afternoon, he was
todo,
sitting in his
había
favorite
comenzado
armchair,
con un hombre que
looking out
decidió
the
creer
window
en
as
un niño
leaves
que nadie
slowly
más
fell
veía.
from the trees.
Esa es la magia de
He
un
wasn't
verdadero
expecting
maestro.
visitors. He
No
wasn't
solo
expecting
enseñan
anything
lecciones,
really,
cambian
except
destinos,
perhaps another
salvan
quiet day of
vidas,
memories.
crean
The
legados
doorbell
que
rang.
trascienden generaciones.
Once,
El
twice.
señor William Larkin
Mr.
hizo
Larkin
todo
got
eso
up
y
with
más.
difficulty,
Y Axl
shuffling his
Rose
feet
se
toward the
aseguró de
front
que el
door.
mundo nunca lo
When he
olvidara.
opened it,
Si esta
he
historia
froze.
te tocó el corazón,
In front of him was a man
déjame
in
un
his
comentario
50s,
contándome
with
sobre
long
ese
hair pulled
maestro
back in a
o esa
ponytail,
persona que cambió tu vida.
aviator sunglasses,
Todos tenemos
and
un
a
señor
nervous smile
Larkin
that
en
seemed out
alguna
of
parte
place
de
on
nuestra
someone so
historia.
famous.
Honrémoslos,
Hello, Mr. Larkin,
recordándolos.
said the visitor,
Una
removing his
promesa hecha
glasses.
en 1979
I don't know if you remember me.
estaba a
I'm
punto
Bill
de
Bailey,
cumplirse
though now
45
people know
años
me as
después.
Axl Rose.
Axl Rose,
The old man blinked
acababa de
several
bajar de
times,
un jet
as if
privado
trying
en
to
Lafayette,
process a
Indiana,
hallucination.
con un maletín
Bill?
negro en la mano
Billy
y una
Bailey?
deuda pendiente que lo
His
había
voice
perseguido
trembled,
toda su vida.
not from age, but
Lo
from
que
pure
nadie
emotion.
sabía era
The
que ese
same,
viaje cambiaría
Axl
para
responded,
siempre
extending his
la forma
hand.
en que el mundo
It's
veía
been
la
many
leyenda
years.
del rock.
Mr.
El
Larkin
señor
took
William
Axl's
Larkin
hand with
tenía
both
82
hands,
años,
holding
y
it as
vivía
if
en
it
una
was
casa
something
modesta de
sacred.
2 pisos
My God,
en el mismo
Billy.
vecindario
My
donde había
God.
enseñado música
Come in,
durante
please come
40
in.
años.
They entered the
Sus
house
manos
that smelled of old
artríticas
wood
apenas
and
podían
freshly
sostener
brewed
un
coffee.
lápiz.
The
Mucho
living room
menos
was
tocar
full
el
of
piano que
photographs,
dominaba en su
memories of
juventud.
decades of
Esa
teaching,
tarde de octubre estaba
diplomas and
sentado en su
recognitions
sillón
hung on one
favorito,
wall.
mirando
On
por la
another,
ventana
there
mientras
were
las
photos
hojas
of
caían
students from
lentamente
different
de los
generations.
árboles.
And there,
No esperaba
in a small
visitas.
gold frame,
No esperaba
was the
nada,
photo
en
of a
realidad,
red-haired 11-year-old
excepto
boy with a
quizás
shy
otro día
smile,
silencioso de
holding a
recuerdos.
school choir
Sonó el
trophy.
timbre.
Billy Bailey.
Una vez,
before he
dos
became
veces.
Axl Rose.
I
El
never
señor
took
Larkin
down
se
your
levantó
photo,
con
said
dificultad,
Mr. Larkin,
arrastrando
pointing to
los
the frame.
pies hacia la puerta principal.
Axl approached
Cuando
the
la
photo,
abrió,
gently
se quedó
touching it with his
paralizado.
fingers. Frente a
That's
él había
because
un
you were
hombre
the
de
only one who
50 y
believed in me
tantos
when no
años,
one else did.
con el
The
cabello
story
largo
began in
recogido en una
1979.
coleta,
Lentes
Billy
de
Bailey
sol
was a
aviador,
troubled child
y una
in a
sonrisa
chaotic family.
nerviosa que parecía
His
fuera de
stepfather
lugar
was
en
violent.
alguien tan famoso.
His home was a
Hola,
battlefield.
señor Larkin.
School
el
was his
visitante
only
quitándose
refuge,
los lentes.
and music was his
No
only
sé si me
outlet.
recuerda.
Mr.
Soy Bill
Larkin,
Bailey,
then a
aunque ahora
40-year-old
la
music
gente me
teacher
conoce
with
como
infinite
Axl Rose.
patience,
El
saw
anciano
something in
parpadeó
that
varias
red-haired
veces,
boy with
como si
intense
estuviera
eyes that no
tratando
one
de
else could see.
procesar una alucinación.
Talent,
Bill,
passion,
Billy Bailey,
but also pain.
Su voz
Do you
temblaba.
remember when I
No de
found you
edad,
crying
sino
in
de
the music
emoción
room?
pura? Asked
El
Mr.
mismo,
Larkin as he slowly
respondió
sat
Axl,
down on the sofa,
extendiendo su mano.
It was after your
Han pasado
stepfather
muchos
beat you
años.
for singing at home.
El señor Larkin
Axl
tomó la
nodded,
mano de
his
Axl
jaw
con
tight.
ambas manos.
He told me that
sosteniéndola
music
como
was
si
for
fuera algo
sissies,
sagrado.
that I was never
Dios
going to
mío,
amount to
Billy.
anything.
Dios
And I
mío.
told you he was wrong,
Pasá,
continued
pasá,
the
por
teacher.
favor.
I
Entraron
told
a
you
la
that you
casa
had
que
something
olía a
special,
madera vieja
a voice
y
that
café
could break
recién
hearts
hecho.
or lift them.
El salón estaba
I
lleno
told
de
you that if you ever
fotografías,
made it far,
recuerdos de
you had to
décadas
use
de
it to tell the
enseñanza.
truth.
En
And I
una
promised
pared
you something
colgaban
that day,
diplomas y
said
reconocimientos.
Axl, his voice
En otra
breaking slightly.
había fotos de
I
estudiantes de
promised that
diferentes
if I ever made
generaciones.
it, I
Y
would come
allí,
back and thank
en
you
un marco
properly.
dorado
Mr.
pequeño,
Larkin smiled.
estaba la foto
I
de un
never
niño
expected you to
pelirrojo
keep
de
that
11
promise,
años,
Billy.
con una
You've
sonrisa
already
tímida,
fulfilled it many times
sosteniendo un
over.
trofeo de
You
coro
sold
escolar.
millions of
Billy
records.
Bailey,
You
antes de
played in the
convertirse
biggest
en
stadiums in the
Axl
world.
Rose.
You made
Nunca
history.
saqué tu foto.
Axl shook his
Dijo
head.
el señor Larkin,
None of that
señalando
means
el marco.
anything without this.
Siempre supe
He
que
lifted the
harías
black
algo grande.
briefcase he had
Axl
brought
se
and placed
acercó a
it
la
on the
foto,
coffee table
tocándola
between them.
suavemente
This is
con
what
los
I should
dedos.
have done decades
Eso
ago.
es porque
He
usted
opened
fue
the
el
briefcase.
único que creyó en mí
Inside were
cuando
two
nadie
things.
más lo hizo.
The first was
La
a thick
historia
envelope.
comenzó en
The second was a special edition
1979.
Gibson Hummingbird
Billy
acoustic
Bailey
guitar
era un
with
niño
mother of
problemático
pearl
en una
inlays that
familia
shone like
caótica.
stars.
Su
Mr.
padrastro
Larkin
era violento.
Axl began
Su
taking
hogar
out the
era un
envelope.
campo de batalla.
For years
La
I thought
escuela
about
era
how
su
to
único
thank you for what
refugio.
you did for me.
Y la música
Money
era su
seemed
única
empty.
salida.
A public
El señor
recognition
Larkin,
seemed insufficient.
entonces un profesor
So
de
I did
música de
something
40
different.
años con una
He opened the
paciencia
envelope
infinita,
and took out several
vio algo en
documents.
ese niño pelirrojo.
This is
de
the
ojos
deed to a
intensos
foundation
que
I
nadie más
established
podía
in
ver.
your name. The
Talento,
William Larkin
pasión,
Foundation for Music
pero
Education.
también dolor.
It's
¿Te
already
acuerdas cuando
funded
te
with
encontré
$5 million.
llorando en el salón de música?
Its purpose is to give
Preguntó
free
el señor
music
Larkin
classes to
mientras se
at-risk
sentaba
children,
lentamente
children
en
like
el
me.
sofá.
Mr.
Fue
Larkin brought
después
his
de que tu
trembling hand to
padrastro
his
te
mouth.
golpeara por cantar
Billy,
en casa.
Axl
I don't know
asintió,
what to say.
su mandíbula
Don't say
apretada.
anything yet.
Axl
Me dijo que la
interrupted with a
música era
smile.
para maricas,
Because there's
que
more.
nunca iba a llegar a
He
nada.
took the guitar
Y
out
yo
of the
te dije
briefcase
que él
and
estaba
carefully
equivocado,
handed it to the old
continuó
man.
el profesor.
This is the
Te
guitar
dije
I
que
wrote,
tenías algo
Sweet
especial,
Child of Mine with.
una voz
The
que
one I
podía
used in the
romper
video,
corazones o
the one I
levantarlos.
played at our first
Te
massive
dije que
concert.
si algún día
I want you to
llegabas
have
lejos,
it. The teacher looked
tenías
at the
que
guitar
usarla
as
para
if it
decir la
were a
verdad.
divine
Y le
artifact.
prometí algo ese
I
día.
can't accept this.
Dijo Axl,
It must be
su
worth a
voz
fortune.
quebrándose ligeramente.
It's worth exactly
Le
what you
prometí
gave
que
me
si
when I
alguna
needed
vez
it
lo
most.
lograba,
Axl
volvería
responded.
y le daría las
Hope.
gracias como corresponde.
You gave me
El
hope
señor
when I had
Larkin
none.
sonrió.
This
Nunca
guitar is
esperé
just
que
a piece of
cumplieras
wood
esa
and
promesa,
strings.
Billy. But
Ya
it represents
cumpliste con
everything
creces.
I achieved
Vendiste
because you
millones
believed
de
in me.
discos.
Tears now
Tocaste
flowed
en los
freely down the
estadios
old
más
man's
grandes del
face.
mundo.
I always
Hiciste
knew you were
historia.
special, Billy.
Axl negó
But I
con la
never
cabeza.
imagined this.
Nada
There's
de eso
one last
significa
thing,
nada
said
si esto.
Axl, wiping his own
Levantó
eyes.
el maletín negro
Tomorrow
que
there's
había
a
traído
ceremony at
y lo
Jefferson
colocó
High
sobre
School.
la mesa de café.
They're
entre
going to
ellos.
name the auditorium
Esto es
in
lo
your
que
honor.
debía ser hace
The
décadas.
William Larkin
Abrió el
Auditorium.
maletín.
It's all
Dentro
arranged
había
with
dos
the school
cosas.
district. La primera
Your
era
former
un sobre
students will
grueso.
be there.
La segunda
Other
era una
teachers.
guitarra acústica
Your friends.
Gibson Hummingbird
I want
de
you to be
edición
there.
especial
Mr. Larkin
con
was
incrustaciones
overwhelmed.
de nácar que
I don't know
brillaban
if
como
I can
estrellas.
process all this.
Señor
Take
Larkin,
your time,
comenzó
Axl
Axl
said softly.
sacando el sobre.
But know this.
Durante años
Everything
pensé en
I
cómo
am,
agradecerle
everything
lo que
I
hizo por mí.
achieved, began in
Dinero
the
parecía
classroom.
vacío.
You
Un
didn't just teach me
reconocimiento
music.
público parecía
You taught me
insuficiente.
that I was worth
Así que
something,
hice algo
that I had a
diferente.
voice. And
Abrió
that
el
voice
sobre y
deserved to
sacó
be
varios
heard.
documentos.
They sat in
Esto es
silence
la
for a
escritura
moment,
de una
each
fundación que
processing
establecía
the
en
weight
su
of this
nombre.
reunion.
La fundación
Finally,
William
Mr.
Larkin
Larkin
para
spoke in a
educación
trembling
musical.
voice.
Ya está
You know
financiada
what's
con
most
5
incredible
millones de
about all
dólares,
this?
Billy.
What?
Su propósito
That
es dar
you never
clases de
forgot
música
where you came
gratuitas
from.
a niños
You
en
reached the top
situaciones
of
de
the
riesgo.
world.
Niños
you're
como
still
yo.
that kid who
El
just
señor
wanted to be
Larkin se
heard.
llevó una mano
Axl
temblorosa
smiled,
a la boca.
a genuine smile
Billy,
he rarely
Yo
showed in public.
No sé qué decir.
It's because you
No
taught
diga
me
nada
that music
todavía.
isn't about
Interrumpió
fame
Axl
or
con
money.
una sonrisa.
It's about
Porque
connection,
hay más.
about truth,
Sacó la guitarra del
about
maletín
touching the
y se
soul
la
of
entregó al
someone who
anciano
needs to be
computado.
touched. The
Esta
teacher
es la
not a
guitarra
story.
con la que escribí.
And that's
Sweet
exactly
Child
what
O'
you
Mine,
did with
la que
millions
usé
of
en el
people.
video.
You
La que
touched them.
toqué en nuestro
You
primer
made them feel
concierto
something
masivo.
real.
Quiero que la
I
tenga
learned it
usted.
from the best.
El profesor
Axl
miró la
responded.
guitarra como si
That
fuera un
night,
artefacto
Axl
divino.
stayed in Lafayette.
No puedo aceptar
They had
esto.
dinner together
Debe
at the
valer una
teacher's house.
fortuna. Vale
Simple food,
exactamente
but full
lo
of
que usted
warmth.
me dio cuando más
They
lo
talked for
necesitaba.
hours,
Respondió
remembering
Axl.
old stories.
Esperanza.
Mr. Larkin told
Usted
him
me
about
dio
other
esperanza
students he'd
cuando no la
had,
tenía.
some who had
Esta
pursued musical
guitarra es solo un
careers,
pedazo de
others
madera y
who had
cuerdas,
simply found solace
pero
in music.
representa todo lo
Axl
que
told
logré
him about the
gracias a que
hardest
usted
moments of
creyó
his
en mí.
career,
Las
the
lágrimas
times he
corrían
almost gave up,
libremente por el
the
rostro del
internal
anciano
struggles
ahora.
no one saw behind the
Siempre
makeup
supe
and
que eras
stage lights.
especial, Billy.
There were moments,
Pero nunca imaginé
Axl
eso.
confessed
Hay
at
una
one point
última
in the
cosa,
night,
dijo
when
Axl,
success felt like a
secándose sus
prison.
propios ojos.
Everyone
Mañana hay
wanted
una
a piece of
ceremonia
me.
en la escuela
The
secundaria
expectations
Jefferson.
were crushing.
Van a
and I
nombrar
started
el
to lose sight
auditorio
of
en
why
su
I had
El
started making
auditorio
music in the
William
first
Larkin.
place. And
Ya
what made
está
you
todo
remember?
arreglado con el
asked
distrito
the teacher.
escolar. You.
Van a estar sus antiguos
Axl
estudiantes,
answered without
otros
hesitation.
profesores,
Every
sus
time I
amigos.
felt lost,
Quiero que
I
esté
remembered
ahí.
that
El
conversation
señor
we
Larkin
had when I
estaba
was 13.
abrumado.
No sé si
After
puedo
the state
procesar
choir
todo
competition,
esto. Tómese
we
su
came in
tiempo,
second, and I
dijo
was
Axl
devastated.
suavemente.
Do you remember
Pero
what you
sepa
told
esto.
me?
Mr.
Todo lo
Larkin
que
thought for a
soy,
moment.
todo lo que
I
logré.
told you that where you
Comenzó en su
finish
salón
doesn't
de
matter
clases.
as much as the person you
Usted
become
no
in the
solo me
process.
enseñó música.
Exactly. Me enseñó
Said
que
Axl.
valía algo.
Those
Que
words
tenía
saved me
voz.
more times than
Y
you
que
can
esa
imagine.
voz merecía ser
When the
escuchada.
ego got too
Se
big,
quedaron en
when the
silencio
pressure
por
was
un
too
momento.
much,
I
cada
came
uno
back to that
procesando el
phrase.
peso de ese
It kept me
reencuentro.
humble.
It kept me
Finalmente,
focused on what
el
really
señor
mattered.
Larkin habló
The
con
teacher
voz temblorosa.
smiled with a mixture of
¿Sabes qué es
pride
lo
and
más
nostalgia.
increíble de todo esto,
You
Billy?
never know when a
Que-
word is going to
que
change
nunca
a life.
olvidaste de dónde venís.
That's the magic and
Llegaste a
terror
la
of
cima
being a
del
teacher.
mundo.
The
Pero seguís
conversation
siendo
drifted
ese niño
toward
que
deeper
solo
topics.
quería ser escuchado.
They talked about
Axl
family,
sonrió,
about pain,
una sonrisa
about
genuina
redemption.
que raramente
Axl told the
mostraba en
teacher
público.
about his tortured
Es
relationship
porque
with his
usted me enseñó
stepfather,
que la música
about
no
how
se
music
trata de
had been
fama
his
o dinero.
lifeline in an
Se
ocean
trata
of
de
domestic
conexión.
violence.
De
He
verdad,
spoke about
de
therapies,
tocar el alma de
struggles
alguien
with
que
anger,
necesita ser tocada.
years of internal
El
work
profesor
to become a
asintió
better version of
lentamente.
himself.
Y
I
eso
spent
es
decades angry
exactamente
at the
lo que
world,
hiciste con millones
Axl
de
admitted.
personas.
Angry at
Los
my
tocaste.
stepfather,
Los
angry at my
hiciste
mother
sentir algo
for not
real.
protecting me,
Lo aprendí del
angry at
mejor,
myself for not being
respondió
able to
Axl.
overcome it.
Esa noche,
But I
Axl
eventually
se quedó en
understood
Lafayette.
something. Anger is
Cenaron
like drinking
juntos en la casa
poison
del
and
profesor.
expecting the other person
Comida
to die.
simple pero llena de
I had to
calidez.
let it go.
Hablaron
And did you
durante
succeed?
horas,
Asked
recordando
Mr. Larkin.
viejas historias.
I'm working on
El
it.
señor Larkin
Axl
le
answered
contó
honestly.
sobre los otros estudiantes
Some
que
days
había
are better than
tenido.
others.
Algunos
But
que
I
habían
learned that
seguido
forgiveness
carreras
isn't for
musicales.
them.
Otros
It's
que
for me
simplemente habían
to
encontrado
free
consuelo
myself
en la
from those
música.
chains.
Axl le
The
habló
teacher
de los
nodded
momentos
wisely.
más difíciles
That's
de su
growth,
carrera.
Billy. That's
Las
maturity.
veces que
And
casi
that's
se
something
rinde.
no amount of fame
Las
or money
luchas
can buy.
internas que
The
nadie
next
veía
morning, the
detrás del
ceremony at
maquillaje
Jefferson High
y
School
las
was
luces del
emotional beyond
escenario.
words.
Hubo momentos,
The auditorium was
confesó
filled with
Axl en un
Mr.
punto de la
Larkin's
noche,
former students,
en los que el
some
éxito
now
se
in their
sentía como
60s,
una prisión.
others barely
Todo el
entering their
mundo
30s.
quería un pedazo de mí.
All had stories
Las
to tell about how
expectativas
that
eran
teacher had
aplastantes.
changed their lives.
Y empecé a
When it
perder
was
de vista
Axl's
por
turn
qué
to
había
speak,
comenzado a
he
hacer
took the
música
stage
en
without
primer lugar.
pretensions.
¿Y qué te hizo
Without the
recordar?
persona
Preguntó
of
el
the legendary
profesor.
rocker.
Usted. He was just
Respondió
Billy
Axl sin
Bailey,
dudar.
thanking the
Cada
man
vez
who
que
had
me
given him a
sentía
chance.
perdido,
Mr.
recordaba
Larkin,
esa
he
conversación
began
que tuvimos
his
cuando tenía
amplified
13
voice over the
años.
auditorium. Después de
There
la
are people who
competencia
pass
estatal
through
de
our
coros,
lives and teach us
quedamos
lessons we
segundos
forget
y
in
yo
a week.
estaba devastado.
And then there are
¿Se
people like
acuerda de lo
you
que me dijo?
who teach us
El señor
lessons we
Larkin
carry for the rest
pensó
of
por
our
un
lives.
momento. Te
He
dije que el
paused,
lugar en el que
allowing his
terminas
words to
no
resonate.
importa tanto como
You
la
taught me
persona
that
en la que
having
te
talent
convertís
isn't
en el
enough.
proceso.
You taught me that
Exactamente,
you have to have
dijo
heart,
Axl.
that you have to
Esas
have
palabras me
courage,
salvaron
that you
más
have to be
veces de
willing
las
to
que
bleed
pude
a little
imaginar.
to create something true.
Cuando el ego se
The
volvía
audience listened
demasiado
in
grande,
absolute silence.
cuando la presión era
Captivated.
demasiada,
I
volvía a
come
esa
from a
frase.
dark place,
Me mantuvo
Axl
humilde.
continued.
Me
A
mantuvo
place where
enfocado
children
en lo
learn
que
that
realmente
love comes
importaba.
with fists,
El profesor
where hope
sonrió
is a
con una
luxury you
mezcla de
can't
orgullo
afford,
y nostalgia.
where dreaming is
Nunca
dangerous
sabes
because
cuándo una
dreams
palabra
break
va a
easily.
cambiar una vida.
But this man,
Esa es la magia
sitting
y
here
el
in the
terror
front
de
row,
ser
told me
maestro.
my dreams
La
were
conversación
worthwhile.
derivó
He
hacia
told me
temas
my
más
voice
profundos.
mattered.
And when no
Hablaron
one
sobre
else did,
familia,
he listened
sobre
to me.
dolor,
Axl
sobre
came down from the
redención.
stage and walked
Axl
to
le
where
contó
Mr.
al
Larkin was
profesor
sitting.
sobre su relación
He knelt in
tortuosa
front of
con
the
su
old
padrastro,
man, looking him
sobre
directly
cómo la
in the
música
eyes.
había sido su
I promised you
salvavidas
45
en un
years ago
océano
that
de
I would come
violencia
back.
doméstica.
I
Le habló
promised
sobre
that
las
if I ever made
terapias,
it, las
I
luchas
would
con
come
la
and say
ira,
thank you.
los años de trabajo
Well, here I
interno
am.
para convertirse
Thank you, Mr.
en una
Larkin.
mejor versión
Thank
de
you
sí
for
mismo.
seeing me when I
Pasé
was
décadas
invisible.
enojado
Thank
con
you
el
for
mundo,
believing when it was
admitió
impossible.
Axel.
Thank you for
Enojado
saving
con mi
me.
padrastro.
The auditorium
Enojado con
erupted
mi
in
madre por
applause.
no protegerme.
Mr. Larkin
Enojado
hugged Axel,
conmigo mismo
both men
por no
crying
poder
without
superarlo.
shame.
Pero
without
eventualmente
pretensions.
entendí
It was a
algo.
moment of pure
El
humanity.
enojo es como beber
Stripped of
veneno
all the
y
noise
esperar
and
que la otra
distractions of the
persona muera.
outside world.
Tenía
After
que
the
soltarlo.
ceremony,
¿Y lo
Axel spent the
lograste?
rest of the day in
Preguntó el señor
Lafayette.
Larkin.
He visited
Estoy
the old
trabajando
school
en
where he
ello,
had studied,
respondió Axel
walked through the
honestamente.
hallways he hadn't stepped on in
Algunos
decades.
días son
He
mejores que
visited the
otros.
music room where he had
Pero
discovered
aprendí
his
que el
love of
perdón
singing.
no es para
Everything
ellos.
seemed smaller than he
Es para
remembered,
mí.
but the
Para
emotion was
liberarme
just
de
as
esas
big.
cadenas.
In one of
El
the
profesor
classrooms, he
asintió
found
con
a group of
sabiduría.
current students
Eso es
practicing for a
crecimiento,
concert.
Billy.
They
Eso
were
es
children of
madurez.
different ages.
Y eso es
some
algo
with
que
obvious
ninguna
talent,
cantidad de fama
others
o
clearly
dinero puede
struggling.
comprar.
He stood
A la
in the
mañana
doorway,
siguiente,
watching silently.
la ceremonia en la
One of the
escuela
kids,
secundaria
a boy
Jefferson,
about 12
fue
years old with
emotiva más
braces,
allá de las
recognized
palabras.
him.
El
Hey,
auditorio
you're
estaba
Axl
lleno de
Rose,
antiguos
the boy
estudiantes
shouted,
del señor
making
Larkin,
everyone else turn
algunos
around.
ahora en sus
Axl
60
smiled.
años.
Guilty,
Otros
can I
apenas
come in?
entrando en sus
The group's
30.
music
Todos
teacher,
tenían
a
historias
young
que
woman
contar
who was
sobre
clearly
cómo ese
excited
profesor
but trying to
había
maintain
cambiado sus
composure.
vidas.
Cuando
Nodded
llegó el turno
vigorously.
de Axl de
Of
hablar,
course, Mr. Rose.
subió al
It's an
escenario
honor.
sin pretensiones,
Axl entered and
sin
sat
el
in one of the
personaje del
classroom's
rockero
plastic chairs.
legendario.
Era
What are you
solo Billy
practicing?
Bailey,
A medley of
agradeciendo
classic
al
rock
hombre que
songs
le
for
había
the end
dado
of your
una
concert.
oportunidad, explained the
Señor
teacher.
Larkin, we're doing a
Comenzó
version
su
of
voz
Sweet
amplificada
Child of
llenando el
Mine.
auditorio.
Axl
Hay
laughed.
personas que pasan
That's
por
an
nuestras
ambitious
vidas
choice.
y nos enseñan
Can I hear
lecciones
it?
que
The
olvidamos en
students,
una semana.
nervous but
Y
excited,
luego hay
played their
personas
version
como
of the
usted
song.
que nos
It wasn't
enseñan
perfect,
lecciones que
not
llevamos
remotely
por el
close.
resto de nuestras
There were
vidas.
off-key notes,
Hizo una pausa,
erratic rhythms,
permitiendo que sus
moments of
palabras
total chaos.
resonaran.
But
Usted
there
me
was something
enseñó que tener
beautiful in its
talento no es
imperfection.
suficiente.
There was passion,
Me enseñó que
there
hay
was
que tener
effort,
corazón,
there was heart.
que hay que tener
When they
valentía,
finished, Axl
que hay que estar
applauded
dispuesto a
enthusiastically.
sangrar un poco
That
para
was
crear
incredible,
algo
guys.
verdadero.
Really?
La audiencia
Asked
escuchaba
one
en
of the
silencio
students,
absoluto,
clearly doubtful.
cautivada.
I thought
Vengo
we
de un
ruined
lugar
it.
oscuro.
Not at
Continuó
all.
Axl.
Axl
Un
responded.
lugar donde los niños
You know what's
aprenden
most
que el amor
important in
viene
music?
con puños.
It's not
Donde la
playing all the notes
esperanza es un
perfectly.
lujo que no te podés
It's feeling what
permitir.
you're playing.
Donde
And you
soñar es
definitely feel
peligroso
that
porque
song.
los sueños se
That's
rompen
what matters.
fácilmente.
He spent the
Pero
next
este
hour
hombre,
working with the students,
sentado acá en
giving
la
them
primera fila,
advice,
me
sharing
dijo que mis
stories,
sueños valían la
making
pena.
them laugh.
Me dijo
He
que
told
mi
them
voz
about his own
importaba.
mistakes,
Y
about
cuando
the times he
nadie más lo
ruined
hacía,
important
él me
performances.
escuchó. Axl
About
bajó
how
del
failure
escenario
is just
y
another
caminó
form of
hacia
learning.
donde estaba
The first
sentado
time
el
I
señor
sang in
Larkin.
public, he told
Se
them,
arrodilló
I
frente
was
al
so
anciano,
nervous, I
mirándolo
vomited before
directamente
going
a
on
los ojos.
stage.
And
Le
when I
prometí
finally
hace
sang,
45
I forgot
años que
half the
volvería.
lyrics. Le prometí que
It was
si
an
alguna vez lo
absolute
lograba,
disaster. But I
vendría y
kept
le diría
trying.
gracias. And eventually,
Bueno,
I got
acá
better.
estoy.
The children
Gracias,
listened
señor
with wide
Larkin.
eyes. Gracias por
Fascinated that
verme
even
cuando era
someone as
invisible.
famous as Axl
Gracias
Rose
por creer
had gone
cuando
through
era
the same
imposible.
insecurities they had.
Gracias por salvarme.
Before leaving,
El
Axl left
auditorio
something with the
estalló en
music
aplausos.
teacher.
It was
El
a
señor
check for
Larkin
$50,000
abrazó a
for the
Axl.
school's music
Ambos
program.
hombres llorando
For
sin
instruments,
vergüenza.
equipment,
Sin
whatever you need.
pretensiones.
Era
He
un
said
momento
simply,
de humanidad
"These
pura,
kids deserve the best
despojado
tools
de todo
possible."
el ruido
That
y
night,
las
back in Los
distracciones del
Angeles,
mundo exterior.
Axl
Después
reflected
de la
on the trip.
ceremonia, he had
Axl
fulfilled his
pasó el
promise.
resto del día en
He had
Lafayette.
closed a circle that had
Visitó
been
la
open
vieja
for
escuela
almost
donde
half
había
a
estudiado.
century.
Caminó
More
por
than
los
that,
pasillos que
he
no
had
había
remembered
pisado en
something
décadas.
fundamental
Visitó
about
el
himself,
salón de música
that it
donde
had
había
never been about
descubierto su
fame
amor por
or
cantar.
recognition. Todo
It had been
parecía
about
más pequeño
connection,
de lo que
about
recordaba,
impact,
pero
about
la
using
emoción
his
era
voice
igual
to
de
say
grande.
something that
En una
mattered.
de las aulas,
2 weeks later,
encontró a un
Mr.
grupo de
Larkin
estudiantes
called Axl.
actuales
Billy,
practicando para un
he said
concierto.
with an excited voice.
Eran niños de
You have to
diferentes
see
edades.
this. He sent him a
Algunos con
link to a
talento
video.
obvio,
It was
otros
one of the school
claramente
students.
luchando. The kid
Se
with the
quedó en la
braces,
puerta,
uploading his
observando
own
en
original
silencio.
song to YouTube.
Uno de los niños,
In the description,
un chico de
the
unos
boy had
12
written,
años con aparatos
"Thank you,
en los
Axl
dientes,
Rose,
lo
for
reconoció.
reminding me that we all
Oye,
have a
sos
voice.
Axl Rose.
This is mine."
Gritó el
Axl
niño,
watched the
haciendo
video
que
3
todos los
times,
demás voltearan.
feeling a pride that
Axl
was different
sonrió.
from any award or
Culpable.
recognition
¿Puedo
he had
entrar?
received in his
El
career.
profesor de música del
This
grupo,
was the real
una
legacy.
mujer joven que
Not
claramente
record
estaba
sales or
emocionada,
attendance records,
pero tratando de
It was
mantener
this,
la compostura,
inspiring the
asintió
next generation to
vigorosamente.
find their own voice.
Por supuesto,
Mr.
señor
Larkin
Rose,
continued to
es
be
un
a
honor.
presence in Axl's
Axl
life.
entró y se
They
sentó
talked
en una
regularly
de
on
las
the
sillas
phone,
de plástico del
sharing
aula.
stories. ¿Qué están
Updating each
practicando?
other on the
Un
foundation
popurrí
that
de
bore his
canciones
name.
clásicas de
The
rock
William
para el
Larkin
concierto
Foundation
de
had
fin de
begun
año,
to expand.
explicó la profesora.
Opening programs in
Estamos
6
haciendo una
different
versión
cities.
de Sweet
Thousands
Child
of
O' Mine.
children were receiving
Axl
free
se
music
rió.
classes.
Esa es una
Many of
elección
them from
ambiciosa.
backgrounds similar
¿Puedo
to Axl's.
escucharla? A
Los
year after that
estudiantes,
reunion,
nerviosos
Axl
pero
organized a
emocionados,
special concert
tocaron
in
su
Lafayette.
versión de la canción.
It was an intimate event,
No era perfecta,
only about
ni
500
remotamente
people,
cercana.
all proceeds going
Había
to the
notas
foundation.
desafinadas,
Mr.
ritmos erráticos,
Larkin was seated in the
momentos de
front row,
caos total,
next to
pero
former
había algo
students and
hermoso en su
community members.
imperfección.
During the
Había
concert,
pasión,
Axl did something
había
he rarely
esfuerzo,
did.
había
He spoke
corazón.
extensively
Cuando
between
terminaron,
songs,
Axl
telling
aplaudió
stories,
con entusiasmo.
connecting with the audience
Eso estuvo
on a deeply
increíble,
personal
chicos.
level.
¿En
He talked
serio?
about his childhood in
Preguntó uno de
Lafayette,
los estudiantes,
about the demons he had
claramente
faced,
dudando.
about the
Pensé que lo
tortuous
habíamos
road to
arruinado.
redemption.
Para
Music
nada,
saved my
respondió
life,
Axel.
he said into the
¿Sabes
microphone.
qué es lo más importante
But it
en la
was a
música?
teacher who showed
No
me
es
how to use
tocar
that
todas las
salvation.
notas perfectamente.
Mr. Larkin,
Es sentir lo que
this
estás
is for
tocando.
you.
Y
and he
ustedes
began to play an
definitivamente
intimate
sienten esa
acoustic
canción.
version of Patience,
Eso es lo que
a song
importa.
he had written,
Pasó la siguiente
thinking
hora
about all the
trabajando con
times
los
his teacher had been
estudiantes,
patient with
dándoles
him
consejos,
when he was a troubled
compartiendo
child. When he
historias,
finished,
haciéndolos
the auditorium
reír,
was in total
les
silence.
habló sobre sus propios
Then,
errores,
slowly,
sobre las
the
veces que
applause
arruinó
began to grow,
presentaciones
becoming a
importantes,
standing ovation
sobre
that
cómo el
lasted
fracaso
several minutes.
es solo otra
Mr.
forma de
Larkin was
aprendizaje.
crying openly,
La primera vez que
not
canté
trying
en
to hide his
público,
tears.
les contó.
The following
Estaba
months
tan
brought more
nervioso que
changes.
vomité antes
The
de subir al
foundation
escenario.
continued to grow,
Y cuando finalmente
impacting
canté,
more and more lives.
olvidé la mitad de la letra.
Axel got
Fue un
personally
desastre
involved,
absoluto.
visiting the
Pero seguí
programs,
intentando,
meeting the students,
y eventualmente
sharing his
mejoré.
story.
Los niños
He
escuchaban
discovered that
con
these
los ojos bien
interactions
abiertos,
filled him in a way that
fascinados
world
de
tours
que
never
incluso
had.
alguien
One
tan
of the
famoso
program's
como
students,
Axl Rose,
a 14-year-old
hubiera
girl
pasado
named
por las
Maria,
mismas
wrote a letter
inseguridades
that
que
the
ellos.
foundation shared
Antes
with
de
Axel.
irse,
In
Axl
it, she
dejó
described
algo
how
con la
music
profesora
had
de
given her
música.
purpose when she
Era
was
un
on the
cheque
verge
por
of giving up.
$50,000
How the
para el
free
programa de
classes had
música de
shown
la
her that
escuela.
she had talent,
Para
that
instrumentos,
she had value.
equipos,
How
lo que
she had
necesiten,
begun to dream
dijo
of a life
simplemente,
beyond her violent neighborhood.
Estos niños merecen
Thank you
las
for
mejores
creating this
herramientas
program,
posibles.
Maria wrote.
Esa noche,
Thank you
de
for
vuelta en Los
believing that
Ángeles,
kids like me
Axl
deserve a
reflexionó
chance.
sobre el
One
viaje.
day I'm going to be as
Había
famous as
cumplido
you.
su promesa.
And when that happens,
Había cerrado un
I'm going to do
círculo
the
que había
same
estado
for other
abierto
kids.
durante casi
It's a
medio
promise.
siglo.
Pero
When
when
Axl
Axl
read that letter,
había
he felt
recordado
that the
algo
circle had been
fundamental
completed
sobre
sí
sí
mismo.
que
Maria
nunca
was
había
him
sido
45
sobre la
years
fama
ago.
o el
And
reconocimiento.
now, he was
Había
Mr.
sido sobre
Larkin.
la conexión.
The cycle continued,
sobre el impacto,
generation after
sobre
generation,
usar su voz para
impact
decir
after
algo que
impact.
importaba.
In an interview
2 semanas
several months
después,
later,
el señor
Axl
Larkin
was
llamó
asked
a
about
Axl.
his legacy.
Billy, what
Dijo
he
con
wanted
voz
people to
emocionada.
remember
Tenés
about
que
him
ver
when he was
esto.
gone.
Le envió
His
un
answer
enlace
was
a un
simple
video.
but profound.
Era uno de los
I don't want to
estudiantes
be
de la
remembered
escuela,
for the
el
songs I
chico de
wrote
los aparatos,
or the records I
subiendo
sold,
su propia
he said.
canción original a YouTube.
I want to be
En la
remembered for the
descripción,
lives I
el niño
touched.
había escrito,
For the children who were able
gracias
to
Axl
find their
Rose,
voice
por
thanks to a
recordarme que
program we
todos
created.
tenemos una voz.
For keeping
Esta es la
alive the
mía.
memory of a
Axl
teacher
vio
who
el video
changed my
3
life.
veces.
That's a
Sintiendo
legacy.
un orgullo que era
Everything else
diferente
is
a
just
cualquier
noise.
premio o
Mr. Larkin
reconocimiento que
passed
había
away 2
recibido en su
years after
carrera.
that reunion.
Este era
He
el
was
verdadero
84
legado.
years old and
No
passed
las ventas
peacefully
de
in his sleep.
discos o los récords
At
de
his funeral,
asistencia.
Axl gave the
Era
eulogy.
esto.
He didn't speak
Inspirar
as
a la
Axl
próxima
Rose, the rock
generación
star.
a
He
encontrar
spoke
su
as Billy
propia
Bailey,
voz.
the grateful
El señor
student.
Larkin
This
continuó
man saw
siendo una
something in me
presencia en
that
la
I couldn't
vida
see
de
in
Axl.
myself.
Hablaban
Before
regularmente
hundreds
por
of people who had
teléfono,
been touched by the
compartiendo
teacher.
historias.
He gave me hope when I
Actualizándose
had
sobre
none.
la fundación que
He gave me a
llevaba su
voice when
nombre.
I was silent.
La fundación
He
William
gave me a
Larkin
future when I
había
only saw
comenzado a
darkness.
expandirse,
His voice broke.
abriendo programas
And
en
now
6
it's my
ciudades
turn to do the
diferentes.
same for others.
Miles de niños
Because that's
estaban
what he would
recibiendo
want.
clases de música
Not
gratuitas,
monuments or
muchos de
recognitions.
ellos de
He
entornos
wanted us to
similares
carry
al de Axl.
forward with his mission.
Un año después
to
de
give
aquel
children the
reencuentro,
opportunity to
Axl
discover the
organizó un
magic of
concierto
music.
especial en Lafayette.
After the funeral,
Era un evento
Axl
íntimo,
announced that he would
solo
double
unas
the
500
foundation's
personas.
funding.
Todas las
$10 million
ganancias
more
destinadas a la
to expand the
fundación.
program.
El señor Larkin
New centers
estaba
in cities
sentado
across
en la
the
primera
country,
fila,
full
junto a
scholarships for
antiguos
talented
estudiantes y
students
miembros de la
who wanted to
comunidad.
study music in
Durante el
college.
concierto,
Mr. Larkin
Axl
gave
hizo
me
algo
everything.
que pocas
He
veces
explained in
hacía.
the announcement.
Habló
Now it's
extensamente
my
entre
turn to give that
canciones,
gift back,
contando historias,
not just to one person,
conectando con
but
la
to
audiencia en un
thousands.
nivel
The years
profundamente
passed.
personal.
The
Habló
William
sobre su
Larkin
infancia en
Foundation
Lafayette,
became one of the
sobre
most
los
important
demonios que
music
había
education
enfrentado,
organizations in the
sobre el
country.
camino
Thousands of
tortuoso hacia la
students
redención.
graduated from its
La
programs,
música me salvó
many
la
of
vida,
them pursuing
dijo el
musical
micrófono.
careers.
Pero fue
Others
un maestro
simply
quien
carrying
me
a love
mostró
of
cómo
music in their
usar esa
hearts.
salvación.
Axl never
Señor
stopped being
Larkin,
involved.
esto es para
Despite his
usted.
busy schedule,
Y comenzó
he
a
always
tocar una
found time
versión
to visit the
acústica
programs,
íntima de
talk with
Patience,
students,
una canción que
share
había
his story.
escrito,
He became a
pensando en
father
todas
figure
las
to many of
veces
the
que su
children
profesor
who went through
había
the
sido
program,
paciente con él,
especially
cuando
those
era
who,
un niño
like him,
problemático.
came
Cuando
from broken
terminó,
homes.
el
One
auditorio
night,
estaba en
after a
silencio
visit
total.
to one of the centers
Luego,
in Detroit,
lentamente,
Axl
el
received a
aplauso
message from
comenzó
one
a
of the
crecer,
students he had met years ago.
convirtiéndose en una ovación de
It
pie
was
que
Maria,
duró varios
the
minutos.
girl who had
El
written that
señor
moving
Larkin
letter.
lloraba
She was now
abiertamente,
21 years
sin
old and
intentar
had just
ocultar
signed
sus
her first
lágrimas.
record deal.
Los
I
meses
kept my
siguientes
promise,
trajeron más
she
cambios.
wrote. I'm on
La
my
fundación
way,
continuó
and when I get
creciendo,
there, I'm going to do
impactando cada
exactly
vez
what
más
you
vidas.
did. I'm going to
Axl
help
se
other
involucró
kids find their
personalmente,
voice.
visitando los
continues.
programas,
Axl
conociendo a los
smiled as he
estudiantes, read the
estudiantes,
message.
compartiendo
The
su
circle
historia.
hadn't closed.
Descubrió que
It had
estas interacciones
expanded. It
lo
had
llenaban de
multiplied.
una manera
And it
que
would
las giras
continue to do
mundiales
so
nunca
generation
lo
after
habían hecho.
generation.
Uno de los estudiantes del
Impacting
programa,
lives in ways
una
he
niña
could
de
never
14
fully
años
measure.
llamada
That
María,
night, alone in
escribió
his
una
house,
carta que la
Axel
fundación
took out the
compartió
old
con
photo
Axel.
that
En
Mr. Larkin
ella
had in his living
describía
room.
cómo la
The
música le
photo of
había
Billy
dado un
Bailey,
propósito
the red-haired
cuando estaba
11-year-old
al
boy
borde de
with
dar
a
su
shy
convencido.
smile. After the
Cómo
teacher's
las
funeral,
clases
his
gratuitas
family had given
le
it to
habían
him,
mostrado que
knowing
tenía
how much it
talento,
would mean to him.
que tenía valor.
He looked at that boy
Cómo
in the
había
photograph,
comenzado a soñar
seeing the
con una
pain in
vida
his
más
eyes,
allá de
but
su
also the
vecindario
spark of hope.
violento.
I did
Gracias
it,
por
Mr.
crear
Larkin,
este
he
programa,
whispered.
escribió
I kept
María.
my promise. Gracias
and I'm
por
going to
creer
keep
que
keeping
niños
it
como
until
yo
the last day of
merecen
my
una
life.
oportunidad.
He hung the photo
Un
in his
día voy a
recording
ser
studio,
tan famosa como
right in
usted,
front of the
y
microphone
cuando
where he
eso
recorded
pase,
all his songs.
voy a hacer lo mismo
A
por
constant
otros niños.
reminder of where he
Es
came
una
from,
promesa.
of
Cuando
who had helped
Axel
him get
leyó
there,
esa carta,
of the
sintió
responsibility
que el
he had to
círculo
carry
se había
forward with that
completado
legacy.
nuevamente.
Because in the end, María
That's
era
what
él
really matters.
hace 45
Not
años.
fame, not money.
Y ahora,
Not
él era
awards
el
or
señor
recognition.
Larkin.
El
It's
ciclo
the impact you
continuaba.
leave on the world,
Generación
the
tras
lives you touch,
generación.
the doors
Impacto
you
tras
open for
impacto.
others.
En una
Mr.
entrevista
Larkin had
varios
taught him
meses
that
después,
45 years
le
ago.
preguntaron a
And
Axel
now
sobre su
Axl
legado.
Rose was teaching the
¿Qué
same
quería que
thing
la
to
gente
thousands of
recordara de
children
él
around
cuando
the
ya no
country.
estuviera?
The cycle
Su
continued.
respuesta fue simple
The
pero
promise was
profunda.
fulfilled again
No
and
quiero que
again.
me recuerden por
And
las
music,
canciones que
that
escribí
magical
o
force
los
that
discos
unites
que vendí,
souls and transforms
dijo.
lives.
Quiero
kept
que me
playing.
recuerden por
In
las
one of the
vidas que
last
toqué,
emails Maria
por los
sent to
niños que
Axl,
pudieron
there was
encontrar
a
su
simple
voz
but profound
gracias a un
question.
programa que creamos.
How do you know when you've really
Por mantener
succeeded?
viva la
Axl
memoria
thought
de un
about the
maestro
question
que
for
cambió mi
days
vida.
before responding.
Eso es un legado.
Finally, he wrote,
Todo lo demás
"You
es
succeed
solo
when your
ruido.
life becomes
El
a bridge
señor
for others
Larkin
to cross.
falleció 2 años
When your
después de
story
aquel
inspires
reencuentro.
someone else to tell
Tenía
theirs.
84 años
When your
y se
struggles
fue
become the lessons
pacíficamente
that
en su
help
sueño.
another avoid the
En
same
su funeral,
mistakes.
Axel
That's
dio el
true
elogio.
success.
No habló
Everything
como
else
Axl
is just
Rose,
statistics.
la estrella del
Maria
rock.
never
Habló
forgot
como
that
Billy
answer.
Bailey,
And when
el
years later
estudiante
she herself
agradecido.
became a mentor
Este
for
hombre
young
vio algo
artists,
en mí
she
que yo no
repeated
podía
those
ver en
same
mí
words,
mismo.
passing the
Dijo
wisdom to
frente
the
a
next
cientos de
generation.
personas que habían sido tocadas
Larkin's
por el
legacy
profesor.
lived on,
Me
not
dio
just in
esperanza
Axl Rose,
cuando no la tenía.
but in every life
Me dio
he
una voz
touched,
cuando estaba en
in every
silencio.
child who found
Me dio
their
un
voice
futuro cuando
thanks to
solo
that
veía
chain of
oscuridad.
kindness that began
Su voz se
decades
quebró
ago
en a classroom
y
in
ahora me
Lafayette,
toca a
Indiana.
mí hacer lo
And
mismo
so,
por otros.
the story of a
Porque eso es
teacher
lo
and
que
his
él hubiera
student
querido.
became the story of
No
thousands.
monumentos o
One
reconocimientos.
fulfilled promise
Quería que siguiéramos
transformed
adelante
into
con su
thousands of
misión.
new promises.
Darles a los
One
niños la
saved voice
oportunidad de
multiplied into
descubrir
a
la
chorus
magia
of
de la
hope
música.
that resonated
Después del
throughout the country.
funeral,
Axl
because in the
anunció
end,
que
the true
duplicaría el
promise was
financiamiento
never
de la
just about
fundación.
coming back and saying
10
thank you.
millones de dólares
It was
más
about
para
continuing the
expandir
work,
los programas,
about keeping the flame
nuevos
alive,
centros en ciudades de todo
about
el
making
país,
sure no
becas
child with
completas
talent
para
and dreams
estudiantes
got lost in the
talentosos
darkness
que quisieran
because no
estudiar
one
música
believed
en la
in them.
universidad.
That
El señor
promise,
Larkin me dio
made
todo,
by an 11-year-old
explicó en el
boy to his
anuncio.
music teacher,
Ahora es mi
had
turno de
become
devolver
something
ese
much
regalo.
bigger. No solo
It
a
had
una
become a
persona,
movement,
sino a miles.
a legacy.
Los años
A
pasaron.
reason to keep
La
going,
Fundación William
even when the
Larkin
world
se
felt
convirtió
heavy.
en una de
And
las
every time
organizaciones
Axl Rose took
educativas
the
de
stage,
música más
every time
importantes
he
del
sang
país.
those songs
Miles de
that had
estudiantes
touched
se
millions,
graduaron de sus
he
programas.
carried with him the
Muchos
image
de
of that
ellos
teacher
persiguiendo
sitting in
carreras
the front row,
musicales,
with
otros
tears in his
simplemente
eyes
llevando
and
el
pride
amor
in his
por la
heart.
música en sus
Because
corazones.
everything,
Axl
absolutely
nunca dejó de estar
everything,
involucrado.
had begun with a man
A
who
pesar de su
decided to
agenda
believe in a
ocupada,
boy no one else saw.
siempre encontraba
That's the
tiempo para
magic of a
visitar
true
los
teacher.
programas,
They don't
hablar
just
con los
teach
estudiantes,
lessons, they
compartir
change
su
destinies.
historia. Se convirtió
They
en una
save
figura
lives.
paterna para muchos de los
They
niños que
create
pasaban por el
legacies that
programa,
transcend
especialmente
generations.
aquellos
Mr.
que,
William
como él,
Larkin did all that
venían
and
de
more.
hogares rotos.
And Axl
Una
Rose
noche,
made sure the
después
world
de
never
una
forgot
visita a
him.
uno de
If
los
this story
centros en
touched your
Detroit,
heart,
leave
Axl
me a
recibió
comment
un
telling me
mensaje
about that
de una
teacher
de las
or that
estudiantes
person
que
que
había
había
conocido
conocido
años atrás.
We all have a Mr.
Era
Larkin
María,
somewhere in our
la
story.
chica que había
Let's
escrito
honor
aquella
them by
carta
remembering them.
conmovedora.